I sit down for class. I don't look for anybody trouble.
Okay.
I dey mind my business. Everybody dey mind my business. We dey for class, no issue. I can't sit down now.
Yeah.
You get one girl they sit down close to me. That one, you know, like me. In the join my enemies. Me they pray for me. I can't. He can't collect my book. I won't collect my book. In the collector. The next thing she Amanda because she know they like me. She say I know it's a bit too much. Say I be enemy. She can't tell me say make I stand up. I can't tell but I know me they look for trouble. Now that girl will sit down there because the girl they carry all this your blind man. This your blind man. This thing there for you. I say because in the carry in they do like all this the way they get money. My mother can say now only she where she go they look say she me I be bad pikin say she no go they support me so she come say I come they ask me say Ichi Okonkwo they pay one of him workers 200 naira how much you come pay 10 workers I can tell her say madam how is that one even not impossible I want to sabi how much person they pay and they live for the person copper how want sabi how much they pay in workers she come say me I come out for a class I know they get sense say block dey my head okay abeg no vex block dey my head.
No, not at all. But
if you come out this thing, make for look away block.
No. I believe the person say you're a blockhead, but Ichi Okonkwo, that's your maths teacher, right?
No, my maths teacher. No, God bless you. My maths teacher. I want to be how much they pay workers.
Well, this is kind of funny. Well, it's okay. I mean, I believe that teachers should be patient to teach. I mean, that is the only ethical thing they should do.
No, be that. No, be all that. Inko, she can't tell me say, make I they go for the compound. I can't say, man, if you go there, cause I'm na my papa enemy. My parents tell me say make they go for a compound. Saying they turn children to foul. They lay egg. If they go sell for market. I don't want they go in compound. My family enemy. I say, ma, please, make they go yourself. Go ask her. How much they pay in workers? She got say, ma, come off her class. Every time she go, they pursue me. I want to study education. Not be she government they pay. Make she they teach me. She don't they teach me. She go teach her children when they sabi learn book. See me now. Me get all the books. I me get all the textbook for my bag. Get everything they buy for me. Every year they go buy. My papa go they buy. They not go they teach me. The thing go they waste.
Wow, it's rather unfortunate, but it's okay. It's alright. Well, my name is Chidi, and I am supervising my farm. Leave that thing alone.
Now the children will check that turn to foul. Now the children they turn to foul. They lay egg. They go sell for market.
Like I said, my name is Chidi, and I'm here to supervise my farm project, of which I do intend to give lots of people employment from these parts. Actually, I was actually born here too. Yes, raised here, but I left for a long time outside the country, but I'm back now, and I'm just here to give my people something, back, But then people of this village, of course. I'm from here. Yes, I'm from here.
You from here?
Of course, I'm from here. Yes, I'm from here. And basically, I do actually want to help out. You see, helping people out is a thing of mine. It's in my character, it's in my nature. So definitely, luckily I'm good with maths and add maths as well. So,
Sabi maths?
Yeah.
Hey, okay, now why you wear this thing where they show math number?
Well, what a coincidence. But like I said, I'm good with that, and definitely I would like to, help you out with your maths and anything that concerns English, because you're quite... I'll help you out with maths and English as well.
You can hear me?
Yeah, why not?
You go teach me maths?
Yes, and English. I have a little free time, but where I stay is, with my uncle. You know Ichiago's house?
Ichiago?
Yes, Ichiago.
Ah, Ichiago, that one is there for that junction close to... Okay,
yeah, 2 lefts, yes. Yes.
No, then compound they close to Ichi Okonkwo compound. No one they pass that road. No one they go there.
Ichi Okonkwo's compound. You actually come into Ichiago's house. Okay, so I'll help you out.
They closer by.
Yes. So what do you say to midday, 12 o'clock? That's what I mean by midday.
What's that midday? When
12 o'clock.
Oh.
Yes.
12 o'clock.
Yes. Not AM but PM.
Who be that one?
What I mean is, after morning when afternoon starts, okay? 12.
Afternoon, I wait till they talk.
That's right.
This is your grandma, I think I see they do.
Yes. So, what do you say, you come around and then we start lessons.
I go come. Say I go come.
Yes.
I go come there.
Yes.
I feel follow you now.
No. Tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow man
Yes,
they come.
yes,
I go come.
okay?
Say you go teach me math.
Of course.
I go sabi a machine there for your pocket.
Yes.
You see why I say God they see everything.
Yes.
Hey.
So please just be calm. Don't get angry. Just go home, and we'll start to reconcile events from tomorrow. Okay? All right.
I feel follow you now. I know where they go.
No. Please.
Okay.
Don't be in a hurry. Okay?
Nandi, I see you have been coming around here for a while now.
Yes, Papa.
And I know you have good intent.
Of course. I do.
That's good. You see, my daughter is still in school. She's not even in the secondary, in the, what do you call that other one again? She's not even there yet. So I think she doesn't need any distraction at this particular point in time.
Yes, it's true, but Miss Oma is a girl, and I believe if we can give her a little push, she'll make us proud. So you don't have to worry about anything. I can watch her go to school. I'll pay the school fees. You don't need to worry about school fees. Alright? And when she's done with school, I can marry her as well, but at your own convenience time.
Nah. Thank you so much. Dalorin, we appreciate your understanding.
Of course, Mama, you have nothing to be worried about. Ichie, don't forget to put a call through. Alright? Anytime. I am ready to help. I'll be available.
Dalu. Chuku gagozi. Hey.
Let me call him this.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how is the family?
Everything is fine.
Thank God.
And thank you, Nand. I know Kozigio. That thing that you sent, it got to us.
Thank God. There's no problem, sir.
Thank you.
No problem.
Easy. Uncle very big giant. I will call you Uncle Black Man, I be undertaker. I no want marry. I no want marry. Nah, only school I want the face. I won't go school. I won't achieve my education. I no want marry. I go tell you go really come say won't marry me.
Look, I am not here to distract you. Alright? I'm actually here to help you achieve your goals. Okay? All I need from you is your concentration and acceptance. I promise I will never distract you. Alright?
You go speak plenty English, you speak plenty grammar. Are you trying to insult me, sir? I never achieve my education. They go school before you know now I go achieve my education. They speak this English way they speak. You're not trying to distract me. You want to instruct me. I no want marry. I no want marry. Maybe leave me. I won't go school. See, the thing where they my head now, I won't go school. I want to achieve my education. If I achieve my education in peace, not in particles, you will not come back.
And that is why I'm here. I'm here to help you achieve that your education. Alright? Hey. Listen.
You Sabia?
Yes. And don't forget to call me whenever you need anything. Okay?
Hey. Now you talk with I won't hear. You Sabia I want to achieve education.
Where?
Now you know come since. if you tell me since now. But uncle see, no be say I know won't learn the education. But that school where they go, I won't focus for the school where they go now. If I achieve everything I want to achieve, I will now call you. Share my power your number.
I know you want to focus.
My power your number, Abi.
Yes.
Okay, they listen while they talk. They listen to me. Now me they go school, not be they go school.
I'm listening.
If I achieve my education finish, I will now call you. You come to my compound, we'll not do wedding. Yeah?
But
you know the compound.
I still want to be around. Yeah? I want to be around you now to help you achieve the education.
No, you know the year word. Make they go now, yeah? You go later come back. And in fact, don't come back, just they go. If I ready, I go call you. Now, education will they focus on like this.
I should leave.
And they go leave, yeah?
Don't reach me, they go, yeah? You're stressing me out.
No, not they chase you, they push you, not they chase you, yeah? I never they chase you yet. If I marry, I go they chase you. For now, just they go, yeah? Hey. Oh, this one could be go. See, I see just expand. in the draw. Hey, if this one climb me now, don't disappear. God forbid. Hey.
Bombastic enemies.
But I told you to come back. Miss Summer, what are you doing here?
Jama. How are you? I did.
I told you we were going to read yesterday and you just left. Where did you go to?
We get one important visitor. They come from Lagos to come see.
Which visitor?
No vex, I beg. No vex.
Don't tell me say, sir, they're very beautiful.
Yes.
Say, ain't go like marry me.
Are you serious? A liar. You are lying.
House.
Liar.
Are you in their house? Don't mind her, sorry.
She dey very jealous too.
No mind her, sorry.
Hey.
No vex.
She just people tell me say he won't marry me. He tell me say my for leave everything I dey do, I can't go marry her. Say he go take care of me.
No.
I can't tell her say no, so I want to focus on my education first.
Miss Summer, I am very happy for you. But don't you think you should stop these marriage things first? Finish your school, or better still, beg the brother when he takes you to the city. He should put you in one of those big schools. What do you think?
Which city? This one's brain will just explode. She cannot be in the city.
What do you
See
think
what
you
they
are?
say this girl in the get wish. In the get wish.
Oh, my nam.
I dey tell you this girl they get wish. Now because all the bleaching cream wey they use no agree with for your body, nobody won't marry you. Na only me they won't marry you. You dey envious me, you won't be like me.
Hi. You don't envy me. You are right.
Agaracha.
It's okay, sorry. Sorry.
This thing wey turn na make sense pass.
Yes.
Hey, I no even think am. My brain no carry me go that side. Bombastic advice.
Chineke.
Now why they call you say my friend?
I'm your friend.
Hey! I go tell them maybe me for that school when they talk with the nose. I go dey close my nose.
No.
Hello everyone, my name is Mesoma. I dey come from Umoya village. I don't go to city. That's what we go dey do, man.
Oh yeah, don't do.
You go follow me go city. This one you go there they work for farm. I go dey do city girl. Hello students follow me. That's how I go dey do.
I beg.
Hello Ijoma my friend. Ijoma.
So class, today our topic is word problem. What did I say?
Word problem.
What did I say?
Word problem.
Mesoma, you are talking. Why are you disturbing the whole class? Now come out here.
Samana, no first. I go collect my book for this person. When he carry my book, he no want return the book.
I've told you to stop speaking this gutter English in my class. You don't know anything, and yet you'll be the one making noise, distracting those that are writing. Now come out here. Come and solve this on the board.
Chitama, my book I collect from this person. When he collect my book, he no want give me.
Mesoma, come out here and solve this. Solve this on the board. Ichie Okonwo has 20 workers. He pays each 500 naira daily. How much does Ichie Okonwo pay his 20 workers? Now, have this and solve it.
Chitama, what I do you now? What I do you? Why you gonna ask me this kind of question? How I want know how much they pay in worker? And they live for a compound. I dey for him pocket. How I want know how much they pay worker? So of all the Ichie wey dey for this village, why you go to Ichie Okonwo wey no my papa enemy? I want to go for a compound. I no fit ask am for a compound. If you want know, make they go by yourself. No, they go there. You go tell me to farm, they lay egg, make they sell for market. I don't want to go for a compound.
Shut up.
My papa don't tell me say I no dey go. I know they go there. Sorry, I know they go there.
Are you this dumb?
If you want go there, make they go there by yourself. You go ask how much they pay in worker.
Is your head blocked? I said you should solve this on the board. And you are here telling me Ichie Okonwo.
I know they go there, man. I know they go there.
Anyway, I can see that education is not for everybody.
Same to you, man.
Now, leave my class. Get out of my class.
Jamanta, this way they do, you not good or you not good.
Leave my class. And never you enter this class anymore. Get
I
out!
want to know much. This man now, very wicked man. When they talk, very wicked man. Ichie Okonwo. They turn children to farm and they lay egg. Now what you want me to do for me? Let me say you don't like me.
Get out!
You no go talk as this. You go dey pretend.
Get out of my class, my friend. Can you imagine?
He go turn me to farm. They lay egg, me go dey sell for market.
Very good. Cannot just leave my class.
My friend, keep quiet, I beg.
Ma, I know the answer to the question.
Okay. Now give us the answer there.
10,000 naira, ma.
Wow! Class clap for her.
I go show Chicha Amanda. I go show her say blood no dey my head. I go show her say my head no dey carry block.
Mesoma, at this point, please keep quiet. Why are you incorrectable? You don't know it is you don't know it. So why are you getting angry?
So you don't join the shout for me now.
No, sorry, but keep quiet. You are making
like
noise.
Reading. I've told you to always join us and read. You don't like reading at all. Read.
So you go dey wear this your blind man thing, go dey top pass yourself, man. I go show and say blood no dey. I mean, blood no dey my hair. I go show. You dey always tell me say my hair they get block. Ah, why you want me mad? They go with check compa. What I want go do there?
This your friend is very dumb. I don't understand. You will never learn.
So don't tell me this girl dey
Coming
follow
from
us.
someone who is always turning her neck like a gamma lizard. I beg, keep quiet.
No worry, you go soon join me more today for that class.
Don't do. Calm down.
I don't tell her. She know the year
Wait
words.
for me now.
Who
If
dey
you
wait
like,
for
you
you?
learn. If you like, you don't learn.
You dey carry all these blind man things dey put for your eyes. They talk nonsense.
What is my own?
Get out. I
I go sabi book. I go sabi education.
Yes,
okay,
I go sabi am.
It's
And
okay.
I sabi am.
It's okay,
I know you know they come to my. You know they come
Just
close to me.
read.
Read that.
Why you go say man they go check compound? I dey live for the compound. What happened? What happened, Oga? What happened?
Annoying. I mean, what is wrong? What is really going on? I mean, it's not nice for you to be this pretty and have an ugly face at this point in time. An angry face, I mean, actually. Huh? What's really going on? What's happening? Who offended you?
Now only this your grandma way speaking and I ain't go make me answer you. Because I know I answer you before.
Thank you for answering me. But like I said, what is really the problem? What's making you angry? What are you doing?
I dey on my own for class. I sit down for class. I don't look for anybody trouble.
Okay.
I dey mind my business. Everybody dey mind my business. We dey there for class, no issue. I can't sit down now.
Yeah.
You get one girl that sit down close to me. That one, you know, like me. In the join my enemies. Me they pray for me. I can't. He can't collect my book. I won't collect my book. In the collector. The next thing she Amanda because she know they like me. She say I know it's a bit too much. Say I be enemy. She can't tell me say make I stand up. I can't say but I know me the look for trouble. Another girl will sit down there because the girl they carry all this your blind man. This your blind man. This thing there for your eye. Say because in the carry in they do like all this the way they get money. My mother can say now only she where she go they look say she me I be bad pikin say she no go they support me so she come say I come they ask me say Ichi Okonkwo they pay one of him workers 200 naira how much you come pay 10 workers I can tell her say madam how is that one even not impossible I want to sabi how much person they pay I live for the person compa I want sabi how much they pay workers she come say me I come out for a class I know they get sense say block dey my head okay ben no vex block in my hair.
No, not at all. But
if you come out this thing, make for look away, block.
No. I believe the person say you're a blockhead, but Ichi Okonkwo, that's your maths teacher, right?
No, my maths teacher. No, God bless you, my maths teacher. I want to be how much they pay workers.
Well, this is kind of funny. Well, it's okay. I mean, I believe that teachers should be patient to teach. I mean, that is the only ethical thing they should do.
No be that. No be all that. Inko, she can't tell me say make I they go for the compound. I can't say man, if you go there, cause I'm na my papa enemy. My papa don't tell me say make they go for a compound. Saying they turn children to foul. They lay egg. If they go sell for market. I know how they go in compound. Na my family enemy. I say, ma, please, make they go yourself. Go ask her. How much they pay in workers? She can't say I come off her class. Every time she go, they pursue me. I want to study education. Maybe she government they pay. Maybe she they teach me. She don't they teach me. She go teach other children when I sabi learn book. See me now. Let me get all the books. I need all the textbook for my bag. Get everything they buy for me. Every year they go buy. My papa go they buy. They not go to teach me. The thing go they waste.
Wow, it's rather unfortunate, but it's okay. It's alright. Well, my name is Chidi, and I am supervising my farm. Leave that thing alone.
Now the children will check that turn to foul. Now the children they turn to foul. They lay egg. They go sell for markets.
Like I said, my name is Chidi, and I'm here to supervise my farm project, of which I do intend to give lots of people employment from these parts. Actually, I was actually born here too. Yes, raised here, but I left for a long time outside the country. But I'm back now, and I'm just here to give my people something, back. But then people of this village, of course. I'm from here. Yes, I'm from here.
You from here?
Of course, I'm from here. Yes, I'm from here. And basically, I do actually want to help out. You see, helping people out is a thing of mine. It's in my character, it's in my nature. So definitely, luckily I'm good with maths and maths as well. So,
Sabi maths?
Yeah.
Hey, okay, now why you wear this thing where they show math number?
Well, what a coincidence. But like I said, I'm good with that, and definitely I would like to, help you out with your maths and anything that concerns English, because you're quite... I'll help you out with maths and English as well.
You can hear me?
Yeah, why not?
You go teach me maths?
Yes, and English. I have a little free time, but where I stay is, with my uncle. You know Ichiago's house? Yes, Ichiago.
Ah, Ichiago, that one is there for that junction close to... Okay,
Yeah, two lefts, yes. Yes.
No, the compound they close to Ichiago compound. No one they pass that road. I don't want to go there.
Ichiago's compound. You actually come to Ichiago's house. Okay, so I'll help you out.
They closer by.
Yes. So what do you say to, midday, 12 o'clock? That's what I mean by midday.
I know sabi midday. When
12 o'clock.
Oh.
Yes.
12 o'clock.
Yes. Not AM, but PM.
Who be that one?
What I mean is, after morning when afternoon starts, okay? 12.
Afternoon, I wait till they talk.
That's right.
This is your grandma, I think I see they do.
Yes. So, what do you say, you come around and then we start lessons?
I go come. Say Ichiago compound.
Yes.
I go come there.
Yes.
I feel you following now.
No. Tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow, man.
Yes.
I go come.
Okay.
So you go teach me maths.
Of course.
I go sabi how much in there for your pocket.
Yes.
You see why I say God they see everything.
Yes.
Hey.
So please just be calm. Don't get angry. Just go home, and we'll start to reconcile events from tomorrow. Okay. All right.
I feel following. I know give her the go.
No. Please.
Okay.
Don't be in a hurry. Okay.
No, I know they. No, go meet the husband by yourself. And when you go the house.
What is it? Fight. What is it?
No be my teacher Amanda. Every time she go tell me say I get blockhead. You get block with my head. I go tell her say make she go carry my child. Open the hair, make she bring out the block man for the year word.
I know you. I have told you several times. Concentrate on your studies. Rap open oka. concentrate on your studies.
Mama, you dey see yourself. You dey see yourself. You never ask me wetin happen. I never talk finish that you don't begin they support am.
I don't need to ask you. I know you. I know you very well. You must have been disturbing them in the class instead of listening to what the teacher is saying. I know you.
You see we talk and I invest me pass. I invest me pass. I want to take no waiting that for person compound. And they live for Mr. Okonko compound.
Here. Mesoma! Concentrate on your studies. Eh? I don't understand your pattern of education. 4 years in one class. Wake up! Mesoma, wake up! Ah! All the time trouble.
Teacher Amanda, I say ma come meet you, ma come ask you wetin I do you. If I don't do you bad thing, you know go dey tell me, you go dey do me bad thing. No be waiting dey talk for sure. Say if the person do you bad thing, may you tell the person, make the person for tell you sorry, may for the forgive am. If I don't do you bad thing, I no go tell me you go dey do me bad thing. No be you come for class, come tell me say after good morning, wetin I go talk. I go tell you say how are you. When I dey come for morning, I dey greet you. Say Teacher Amanda, good morning. No be you go tell me say how are you, Mesoma.
Young lady.
I can't tell you say how are you? You can't dey pursue me come up from your class. Now wetin they do every day, you go dey pursue me, they come up from class. How you want me to attain no education?
Young lady, I can see the way you are going. Education is not for you. We have good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay?
Now wetin you go tell me? Now wetin you go tell me? No be you be teacher. No be you wey dey pay me the teach us. No be you dey eat my school fees, my papa dey pay for you. You go tell me say na good afternoon and good morning and good night. You no go dey pursue me come up from class. How you want me attain education? You know they see all the books wey they buy me, they call it education. If I dey come, you go dey pursue me, they come up from class. How you want me attain no education?
As you can see, I'm a very busy person. Okay? Excuse me.
I go learn this education wey say I no go learn. I go know am. You get there go come now, you go dey learn from me. I go know this education. I go sabi speak English wey they speak. I go speak English pass you. You go dey pursue me come up from class. I go know education one day. I mean they tell you. The education wey I go know, you no go know anything. You go dey learn from me. Every time I go dey pursue me, they come up from class. I no go sabi anything. Say my head don dey block. You go come back one day. You go hear from my education soon.
What is wrong with you? Why are you behaving like this?
I dey vex. I dey very vex. I dey vex. They pursue me for class. I dey distract other people for class.
But you shouldn't be distracted in class now.
I talk am.
Huh?
I talk am say you go dey choose my enemy. You go dey support my enemy. You no go dey support me.
I'm not supporting.
Now why God make you be like this? Enemy support. You go support my enemy. You no go dey support me.
I'm not supporting anybody.
You never ask me wetin happen. Why you come they tell me say na me dey distract? You follow me there for the class. You sabi wetin happen? No be she collect my book say she want take my book. I go tell her say I no want make she dey take my book. She come dey pursue me say na me be the bad children wey they do all the bad things.
Bad children. Alright, I think I should get you a private tutor. Maybe you can cope. Huh?
I don't want anybody they give me any private thought. I go now this is my head now. I'm going to use pursue my education in peace. Every education where they teach for class, I go sabia. Both the everything, the Iche thing and the mathematics and the English. I go be sabi French before you go now. I go pursue my education by myself.
Okay, but at least come into the car. Let me drop you off.
The one they show yourself. They thought you know the year word.
Very stubborn. Very, very stubborn.
Uncle Whiteman! Uncle Whiteman! Uncle Whiteman! Uncle Whiteman, you there? Where you there now? Uncle Whiteman! Ah! Uncle Whiteman!
Miss Omar, how are you?
Hi there, sir. How you doing?
Good?
Yeah.
Nice. You know, one thing I am not very comfortable with is lateness. Why did you come late?
That boy they call and say, Obi na they block my way when they come. I suppose don't call since they disturb me and for don't quick come. I'm very sorry, your son.
It's okay, so please stop bowing down. Stop
Sorry.
it! We're not in the slave age. It's okay. I actually thought you weren't going to come, you know.
No, I go come. Let me tell you, I want no education. I dey come. Many take course education, you go they see me there. Now I don't come.
Fantastic. All right, let's go in.
I go west man.
Yes.
Better inside, you no get what they write now. You get blackboard.
Blackboard.
See, if you write for your wall now, if you carry charcoal come from kitchen, so they write for wall.
Charcoal on my wall.
Now which side they use my pass?
No, why don't you better still tell me to, cut a stick and then use on the ground?
That one day okay. I don't get shooter. So far as go they write big, I go they say. Use charcoal for wall, use stick they write for ground. Any whichever one you want, please, I choose.
Who raised you?
My papa.
I'm very sorry. Okay, but oh my God, I have a lot to do. I have a lot to teach you. Seriously, I need to inject education into you. Really.
Uncle White man, no verse. I know you like what's it called? Education with injection. I know they sick. I know more injection.
Okay, let me come down to your level, okay? But first, there's a popular quote that says, education is that powerful tool that rules the world. Okay? You cannot get to any height. You cannot meet your target. Set goals without being educated. Okay? Okay. All right. Let me come down to your level. You see, when you're sick, you go to the hospital, right?
Yes, I do go hospital.
Good. 2 things are given to you to be cured. It's either you're given drugs or injection. Which one works faster?
I always choose injection because you go pay you. Later I no go pay you again. But if I collect drug now, I go to take my pass. I no go finish am. So I go take injection.
So injection works faster.
And they work fast.
Injection works faster.
Injection was faster.
Works. W-O-R-K-S. Works faster.
Injection was KS faster.
You know what? I don't know, I have a lot to work on. I don't know why I agreed to doing this with you, but seriously, I have a lot to do, really. You know what? I really have to aggressively inject education into you. Seriously. I mean, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed. Sorry, at this age, I mean, you don't know quotes.
I go compress. I did for you, go compress. Everything you want, go just there. I just want no education. It's
okay, you're talking too much, really.
Sorry, obvious.
Look, I want you to say this after me, okay? As we go in. It must be a regular slogan. It must be a drive. It must be a catalyst for you to keep progressing. You must, address this education like a train that doesn't know how to stop. That's the way you need to approach education, all right? So, injection works faster. Education rules the world. Injection works faster.
Injection was faster.
Works.
Injection
works.
Works.
Good. Injection works faster.
Injection works faster.
Education rules the world.
Education was the world.
Rules the world.
Education
rules the world.
Rules
the world.
The world.
Injection works faster.
Injection was faster. Education
rules
was the world.
Injection, keep saying it.
Injection was faster.
Education rules the world.
Injection was faster. Education was the world. Injection was faster. Injection rules the world. This injection they pain. Education was faster. Injection was faster. Education ruled the world. Education ruled the world. Injection was faster. Education ruled the world. Injection. Injection was faster. Education ruled the world.
Oh, this injection for the pain. Injection was... bombastic innuendo. Bombastic innuendo. Hey! Hey! This education injection is sweet, oh. Eh? Hey! It's no easy, oh. I see the pain. It is sweet. It is pain. It is sweet. Hey! That white uncle na very white uncle. He go dey do. He go dey home, he go dey shout. Peter go dey shout. He go dey shout, I go dey shout. Hey! Sweet oh. If like this thing dey be. I be say every day. I go dey wake up for this compound. Go for their house, go collect another injection. Hey! Bombastic innuendo. Bombastic innuendo. He dey shout, I dey shout. Two of us come dey shout, he dey push me. I go push am, he go push me. He go push me. I go push am. Hey.
Miss Mama, what are you doing at home by this time? I'm asking you. Because it's just too early for you to be at home. And I passed by your school not quite long ago. And all your mates were still inside their classrooms. Papa. And you are here.
Papa, you see this place why I be like this? I don't want anybody to disturb me. Just waka go inside quietly from where you come from. I don't want headache.
Oh! It's not Momo. Miss Mama, I ever knew you were not going to be serious. All the time you were shouting education. This is how you are going to get the education. While your mates are in the classroom, you are here. Look at you, no Anya. As big as you are. 4 years, Mbari, no? 1, 2, 3, 4 in one class.
Hey. You don't sabi anything. Go open your mouth, wow. Go talk nonsense. You don't know anything. I'll just focus now. You collect this my education injection every day. By the time I don't collect and finish. By the time that brother don't give me finish. I'll just come out. I just raise my hand up. I go to speak all the English, all those big men with the wear black coat they speak. Maybe all this water English papa they speak here. Let's see, sabi nothing. Like I just focus now, collect what they collect. I just collect my education injection, I finish. I collect the whole dozen. I finish her now. Even he go himself. He go call me. He go give me chieftaincy title for free. Education injection. Now you dey pursue. But that he go come inside. He go dey fish me. I go dey go meet am.
Honestly, I don't understand this Miss Amanda. Have you noticed that since Miss Amanda cautioned her, she stopped coming to class? I just feel she's not serious. If Miss Amanda sent her out of the class, is it only Miss Amanda that is the only teacher in the school? At least she attend to other classes now. I just feel maybe she has gone to another school, you know, after the embarrassment. Who wouldn't leave? I don't feel that way. I don't think she's serious, or maybe she's attending to another school. Or maybe she have another thing she's doing. He's your friend. On another note, her parents should be involved if she's changing to another school. But the last time I went to their place, her mom seemed to think that she's still in school. You go to her house and confirm. Nobody can have a decent conversation with you because you are always talking like somebody that Why are you telling me you go to her house? If I talk now, you say I talk something else. You better get out. You are always talking nonsense.
I'm sorry I have not been able to come check on you. I've been down. And then, Chidi is not around.
I was wondering. I've not seen you for 2 weeks now. How are you? Are you okay? You're pregnant.
Stop that, I'm not pregnant. It's just malaria. Besides, I think I've just been too lazy to go to the hospital. But I'm sure it's malaria, it's nothing else.
I don't understand. Are you not a woman living in a man's house? So you can be pregnant, Joe. I beg you. From your symptom, I'm seeing pregnancy.
We have been trying, but it's not working.
See, it will work. You can't say never. You just need to keep praying and be patient.
Stop it, I'm exhausted.
Really? You don't need to, my friend. You don't need to be exhausted at all. In God's time, everything would go well.
I'm so sorry. I forgot to ask you. What do you want? What can I offer you? Son, why are you laughing?
So I'm a stranger here now. I better go and bring anything, Joe.
Okay.
You said your husband traveled, like he traveled out of the country.
Oh, no, just out of town. He went to supervise our farm produce.
Ooh.
Yes, everyone seems to be going into agriculture these days.
Yeah, farming, agriculture is a very lucrative business.
So I hear.
Just that it is time consuming and you really need to be patient. Yeah.
But Chidi can handle it.
I know, he's a strong man.
Give me a minute, I'll be back.
Okay. Fine, girl.
Yes. Yes.
Hey. Great man.
Yeah. Chidi.
Okay, Chidi.
Yes.
This injection, they sweet too. They're very different from the one that they give us for the sick. Yes.
The injection was different.
Very different.
Yes.
They do my body somehow.
That's good. I mean, in no time, you will be very, very colloquial with regards to your language, definitely.
I don't want Kolo. Which one be Kolo? I don't want Kolo. I only want to know English.
No, I mean colloquial. Okay, colloquial, like what I'm trying to say is your English should be good in no time. Okay. Yes, you'll be better in no time. Yes.
But my English never did work. Now me say this injection can take long time for it to work.
Like I keep telling you, always stay positive. Alright? These things happens with doses. Okay? As far as you keep getting your doses and we align properly and you have a good listening ear too, definitely, I mean, everything will move towards a positive course. Will intertwine. Everything will be interwoven towards the positive course of you being colloquial with language, okay? So like I said, your English will be better in no time. Alright? You'll be fine.
They enter here, they come out for it. Nothing enter, stay inside.
It has to stay, okay? It has to stay. But in no time, you'll be good. Okay? Alright? Okay.
Oh yeah, now, make I dey go. But I won't sleep, but they do me one kind.
Oh yeah, sleep is good. I mean, after so much imbibed into you at this point in time, you just have to sleep, okay? It's only natural you do that. Yes, imbibed. That's the word. But remember what I said, okay? Okay? It's a catalyst, it's a driving force to you achieving this goal, okay? Injection
was faster. Education rules the world.
Injection works faster. Education rules the world. You can go home now.
Injection was faster.
Fantastic.
Education rules the world.
Good.
Injection was faster.
Education rules the world. You can go home now.
Injection was faster.
Education rules the world. Yes.
Injection was faster.
Education rules the world. Yes.
Injection was faster.
Fantastic.
Education.
Good. Injection works faster. Education rules the world. Yes.
See, make I tell you now, by the time I don't collect all this my education injection finish, nobody could be my bombastic side person. Wow. The grammar why I go know, the knowledge, the big knowledge why I go get. Nobody, even teacher Amanda will come they learn from me. Let me they tell you.
Oh, come on. Stop playing, please.
Let me they tell you.
What is education injection? Listen, see, I've never heard that word and I'm sure it does not exist. Listen, even if you've started a private lesson that you don't want to tell us about, it's okay, but you still have to come to school because you need school to graduate. Else, your effort will be wasted. Abi?
Linus.
Stop deceiving yourself and be coming to school. There's nothing like education injection.
See this one. You just dey tie your face, they talk nonsense. What do you know? See, make I tell you. I know say you don't like me at all. The only friend I get for this life na Ijoma. You sef, why you think how this girl dey come my compound? Why?
Sorry.
Hey!
Sorry.
You go dey jealous me because I dey collect education injection.
You see,
no girl we dey collect injection for.
No. I told you that it's a waste of time for us to come and advise this girl. Yeah? Sorry, Okay. Please, come, let us go and read. Yeah? Let's go and read.
Ijoma, I know they go read. I know they read anything besides I no go read. Make I tell you, you don't really believe what I dey tell you. I dey collect injection. By the time I don't finish collect all this injection now, this whole book, everything wey dey here, I no go need to read to. Everything go just enter my head. I no go dey read, nothing I go do. I just wake up and this knowledge don't full my entire everything will just full everywhere. See all these books I gather here. I no go read any of them. I will just get all the knowledge, finish everything go just be in my head.
Cambridge. You're doing well. Kai. Miss Summer, you are difficult. You are difficult.
Let me tell you.
If we don't care about you, we will not come here. No, if you don't care about her, this girl is not serious. Okay, I'm coming.
See as you dey shake. See as jealousy just full your entire body. You are a very wicked person. You this person. See I don't know you. Make I tell you, I go put all of you to shame. You! Me jealous of you. All my enemies, including teacher Amanda, where they insult me. I go put all of you to shame.
It's okay.
Don't worry.
It's because of you. Sorry. What are the person that will be jealous of? Shut up now, you know they hear me. Because you now let's go.
You still hear from me. Make I collect my injection finish.
It's okay, my dear.
They go now.
Sorry.
When they carry this girl, they call my company again.
I want this your bro.
So I dey weigh myself now.
Who are you? Sorry.
So now they go, yeah?
Okay, man.
Thank you very much. But again, injection what they collect. Now they focus on. More na go they read. May we see who go win at the end. Now injection why they collect. Now say now all this na cheap things now they do for class.
Let's go here.
Are you sure that her parents is aware that she no longer come to the school?
Well, it's obvious that she's feeding them the same thing she's feeding us, which is that she's getting some education injection. Only God knows what that means.
Educational injection. Okay. Let's wait till she become a professor. Then we'll go and learn from her.
This is not funny. I'm scared on her behalf. Like, it's not making sense.
It's not making sense. Hey, let's go now. Since she's... Oh, you want to stand there? You want to stand out? Stay there now. I'm going to Koroquin home. So that I'll go and take my injection. Let's go! Let's move back!
Can somebody be in school and be this stupid?
Well, I know you don't want to ever see me again, but I came to tell you that I'll be returning to Enugu finally. Of course, I'm done with the government property. I came to supervise. You know, I could always come back if you want me to. Aside that, I have no business in this village.
No come back, no one will come back. If you go, may day where you did.
I see. I see you don't want to see me again.
That's what I want you to do. I'll be government. Oh, you never do me anything. If you go, no come back.
Okay. I think I should give you some time. And I'll come back when I feel you're done with your basic education. So we may plan on how you can push forward. Alright?
Now it makes sense. You supposed to give me time. I wait you don't supposed to tell yourself since. So may you give me time. Because if I breathe in now, I no go fit breathe out. You go correct the breathing. If I breathe out now, you go correct the breathing. May they give me space, may they breathe in and out, they get myself. If I want turn left, I go see you. I want turn right, I go see you. They drag space to my shadow. May you just leave me. I want focus on my education. If I finish my education, I go fit come. For now, don't tell you say I no want to see you. Because if I see you at the verse.
Can you at least say something nice to me?
I don't get anything else I want to tell you. Till I want to tell you, say if you go, may you no come back. You know go to the country for this village. I don't want you. In fact, the only person who want you than me. I don't say I don't want you again. Maybe they go. Until they see you. I can't not be a commodity when they see. Why they go to see you everyhow? I better go and do inside for you.
What is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Why are you using that young man again? What has he done?
Mama, I know one man they come here. I don't want her. If they distract me, everyone won't go. This boy they follow me. He won't overtake my shadow. Everywhere I turn, I go to see. I turn, I go to see. I don't want marry. Say I don't want marry. I they pursue my education. May he leave me.
Mature knows to keep quiet. Eh? What is your problem? Didn't you hear what he said regarding your education? That he will help you.
I dey help myself. Like this, I don't help myself finish. I mean, I dey for the line where soon I go soon help myself finish. You get what I dey look at? Education injection. I dey collect the full dozen. If I don't collect the full dozen for the injection finish now, you say no go know me. Yes, and now you born me, but I dey very very sorry. So you don't go know where I go become. I will be a bombastic enlargement.
All right. So what the wrong? No problem. Since you don't know good thing when you see them, do your wish.
Mama, no they insult me.
Sorry.
No, they insult me. And I mean they go school, no be they go school. You're wrong to pay the school fees. I mean they go school. I mean know what I they do with my future. How they call it injection? Nah, this is they focus. I look at my injection. Why they call it? Maybe all these things when they talk now. Go do now. Go they vex me. I use my if your boy call it. May no they allow me they enter this compound. Everyone want to I go see this boy. Let's go see this. It's a very big, bombastic Undertaker Scorpio Matus. I'm going to discharge my injection. Why they collect? That brother tell me to make I come. Okay, right man. Right man, good afternoon, sir. Right man. Good man, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, never reach. Good man, good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Chidi.
Sorry, Uncle Chidi. Uncle Chidi, they verse. How your face be like they see shit?
Being late is a sign of disrespect to people's time. Okay?
Uncle Watman, I did respect you now. You don't get when I did disrespect you. I don't do. I mean, you tell me for apologize. I did very sorry, sir.
You are late. You are late. Listen, I'm a very busy person. You know that I'm too busy. I mean, what is this? Why would you be late?
I'm very sorry.
And today, I told you I don't have too much time, right? I'm busy. Today you're having your last dose. That's it.
Watman, no verse.
Don't call me that. My name is Chidi.
Uncle Chidi, no verse.
Stop bowing down.
Sorry, sir.
I mean, what is wrong with you? This is why this village is where it is. All of you, you know nothing with regards to time. Efficiency, that's why this village is moving at snail speed. So is your education. You're moving at snail speed. Is this how I'm going to employ people?
No,
They tell me I employ people who are, I mean, really?
Very sorry, sir. They're very sorry on their behalf and on our behalf. Forgive us. We are very sorry. No verse. We don't like we're in the verse. Go after now, my mama, she sent me a message. Ma, for go collect something. But don't come now. They're very, very sorry. Uncle Whiteman, you say today na the last dose. I want to ask you. If I collect this dose now, you won't give me now. I go sabi all this grammar way they speak now. All these things we just thought now go sabi. Because I never see the sabi anything. Not to don't enter my head. The whole grammar why they come, the whole injection, it never they work. It be like saying, see the waka for my leg. They see they close to my lap. Now it never reach my brain. It go take time. I want me do and me just they come off my brain. Now me enter my head. It never enter my head. I want show Teacher Amanda side the grammar why they learn and the education why they collect. Not be that one way she know. I want show and say the one why Sabina, the one way they very.
Because
big.
you don't practice. You don't practice. Everything you learn here, you don't practice. Practice makes perfect.
I suppose they practice.
Excuse me?
Let me say if I call your call, if I go, I suppose they practice.
Look, practice makes perfect, okay? Everything you
don't tell me now. If you tell me, I for the. Let me say.
My friend, will you keep quiet?
Hey.
What I'm trying to say is this, okay? Look, you have a lot to learn, okay? I don't understand. Look, I know you're mathematically deficient, okay? We learn lots of English, but then mathematics, that's with regards to this your Okonkwo thing. And then you'll be able to solve for X. Anytime, because I don't know. Anytime I try to teach you with regards to X's, I mean, you have problems.
Let me say I go know how much you could get for a pocket if I finish today. I go sabi how much they in pocket. Grandma, I too like you. I know say everything we concern you now shweng. You dey sabi dey put things in alignment. Everything will just line news, come like bombastic Uncle Whiteman. You dey sabi things. Shweng.
Please. Look, I have no time, okay?
Very sorry, sir.
I have no time.
Very sorry.
Okay? Seriously, education needs to be injected into you. Because education actually rules the world.
Education rules the world.
Exactly.
Injection work faster. Whiteman.
Please come in. I don't have time. I don't have time.
Okay, Whiteman, shweng. I dey follow you now, sir.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Ma, please, where's Miss Summer?
Miss Summer, she went out.
Oh, okay, ma. I came to give her this note to copy since we will meet them. Yes, ma. Ma, please tell her when she's copying.
Here!
Ma, please.
Ah!
This is an assignment.
Hey!
She shouldn't copy this one. I just tell her she should go to this other page and continue. Yes, ma.
I pray I remember.
You will. Yes, ma.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Biko, I want you to help me. Assist Miss Summer so that she will be serious as you girls.
Mommy, she will pick up. We'll try our best. She'll pick up.
All
right, ma. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mommy, please. The abacha you promised me.
I will.
Thank you.
I'll give it to her when she comes back.
All right, bye-bye.
My regards to your parents.
Uncle Whiteman can't know the room. Uncle Whiteman! Uncle Whiteman!
Yes, who is that?
Uncle Whiteman!
Who is knocking on that gate that way? Yes?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who are you looking for?
I did find Uncle Whiteman. That uncle will get that fine.
Oh, Ichiamade has gone out. It's not around.
No be Ichiamade they find Uncle Whiteman. That Uncle Whiteman where they park that fine motor they dey there. That fine car where in there. Where in they stay for here.
Uncle Whiteman.
In they stay
in
here.
This compound.
Okay, body they white.
Mr. Chidi.
Like saying they come out
Okay,
color.
no. Mr. Chidi has gone back to the city. He left this morning himself.
You go back city?
Yes. I hope there's no problem.
That's why they give me injection. Don't travel. He go come back.
I don't know. As it stands now, I'm the only one here now. But I hope there's no problem at all.
No verse. He give you the injection. Maybe they give me
injection. No, there's nothing like injection. They didn't give me any injection to give.
You know, give you me, they give.
Not at all.
So when you go come back?
I don't know for now. I don't know.
How you won't go when you never finish the whole dose where they give me?
I don't know. I'm the only one here in this compound. Mgbe Mr. Chidi was the doctor. Anyway.
What's be all this one? So you eat greeting, Abi. This one not be your classroom, oh. This one na outside vicinities. You know the season na outside. This one na road. This is one na government property. Where I go to greet you? If I call your class, I go greet you for your class. I see they eat greeting.
I don't blame you. I will come to your house and report you to your parents. Yes, that you are not be coming to school.
But your mind now go dey fear say you won't come tell my papa. If you like, come go tell you Igwe, I know they come school. Go tell Igwe, I know they come school. I no go come.
You no go come, right? It's okay. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all.
Ma, just finish this my education injection what they collect now. If I collect my injection finish now, you go here for me. I'm going to teach you grammar. Now me go to teach you English. You go to teach us about for your class. I'm going to tell you.
Teach me.
You go here for me.
Teach me what?
Ma, just collect my education just finish now. You go. Now me go to teach you. You go to my ass come dey learn.
What gives you that guts that you will teach me?
Say you no. And they collect injection. When they go they work my student. Go they tell me say now so you go do R plus A as 1 is M. I make go teach you. Go see. Go do pass yourself.
What is even wrong with her? What is wrong with this girl self? Can you imagine? She wants to teach me. I don't blame you. You will come to school. I will have to discipline you. Rubbish.
My baby! Hello, darling. How are you?
Fine.
I missed this woman. I missed you. Come here. I missed you. Back to your arms again, huh? Yes. Yes, please.
Stop.
How've you been?
Fine.
Good. So,
How's the farm?
well, going well. What I can say is that we're like, say, between 87% and 90% done. The piggery, 87%, and of course, the fish farm, 100% done. We're done with that. So the next thing is just to move in machines, and then, we're good to go.
Wow, you're moving fast.
Of course, I have to move fast. I mean, apart from real estate, agriculture is, the order of the day.
That's what we're doing, right?
Of course, we have to join the winning team. We have to keep winning, man. We have to keep winning. What? What is it?
I don't know.
What?
I feel funny. Like sick.
Sick? Have you been to the doctor?
No, babe, I was waiting for you.
Oh, babe! Just be patient, okay? Right, you heard the doctor. The doctor said we are fine. So very soon, we'll have our little ones all over the place, okay? I believe, it's, us. We just have to, get our minds relaxed and things will come in place, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you. I know most men will not be this caring and supportive, but thank you for understanding.
Well, the truth of the matter is that I'm not most men. I am your husband. And I'm the one who will spend
the rest of my life with you. Okay?
Okay.
And very soon, you will look at me and say, yes, this is the father of my children. Okay? How does that sound? Good, right?
Good.
So please relax. Everything will fall in place. Okay?
Okay.
Everything will fall in place.
Okay, baby.
Because I love you.
I love you too.
My wife.
Oh.
My darling. The mother of my children. I know you like that.
Uncle White Man no tell me saying go pick go back city like this. Eh? And even the injection never did work. Abi my English don't. Abi go first they walk inside before he come out they walk outside. Hey. I never sabi they speak English. Bombastic in can. Hey! Don't be so this is supposed. Don't be so this is supposed be now. Hey, if you collect injection now, within 2-3 days, everything don't they work. I mean, because this one na education injection, and they take time. Or maybe because I use O, letter O. I mean I use letter M. Hey. I'm out since it always be like this.
Yeah. Mmesoma. 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 What is the problem? What Meso? You've not gone to school since your school resumed from the midterm break. You've been sleeping. Don't allow your father to meet you here sleeping.
Maybe anybody they take go back school same time. I go plan. I resume Monday.
Anyway, that's not what I'm here for. Come and go to the market. Buy things for us to cook in the evening. It's not this or sleep that we will eat.
Mama, no verse. No verse. This market now, not just I go fit go. I should take plan and just do the waka. Yeah?
If I give you hot slap, if I come back here and meet you sleeping again, come and take money and go to the market and buy things for us to cook. And I'll give you money so you buy drugs for yourself.
Now,
you have malaria.
I want to get myself. I beg now. How person won't take beg your own person? Go to the market. I should take plan now. I go tomorrow. I beg.
Miss Oma, you know they get yourself. I don't care. Come and go to the market and buy what I told you to buy before your father will come back. You. I'm talking. She's still sleeping. No, come and go to the market. Anyway, I'll give you money to buy drugs. It's like you have malaria.
Drugs, okay?
Yeah, now.
Man, they like drugs, you know now. I know they're sick. I know they're sick. They still just try to get myself. I know they're sick.
Come and go to the market.
Mama, I beg now. Go this market.
Miss Oma. If I give you slap, hot one, come and get money and go to the market.
Why this injection?
I see sitting down.
Mama, they come. Hey. Now me say the grandma where they come carry weight too. Cause the thing just take they make me they sleep. Before I now don't they sleep. This grandma plenty you choke. Oh. Mama!
My friend, my ears are itching. I know you have good news for me. Talk. How far? What did the doctor say?
I'm not pregnant. I already told you I'm not pregnant. The same old story. It was malaria.
Okay, I understand. You don't need to feel this way. You'll be pregnant someday, and God will do it. You don't need to feel that way.
Thank you.
You'll keep trying, Abby.
Yes.
I want to be a godmother soon, no?
Thank you so much, my friend.
You're welcome. I always want you to be happy, my love.
I know.
Okay.
So, I am going to the mall and I want you to come with me.
I am coming. Remember that bag that time?
Yeah, that bag you said you like.
Yeah.
I might just get it for you.
You say?
Let me get my bag.
You say?
Let me get my bag.
Thank you. Oh God. That bag is so fine. Very, very fine. Maybe I'll take the pink one so that I use it to my pink hair or something. Okay.
Listen, what is wrong with you? Why did you spend the whole day in the market? Eh? Your father will soon be back. I will not start cooking anything.
Mama, this market, so I just go now. I just push myself go. I don't push myself come back. The last day happy, so I don't come back. Mama.
Did you buy the drugs?
Mama, what's in this one now? What's it concern the drugs and my Bobby?
Miss Oma. Miss Oma.
Mama, why you dey pain? You dey pain? Why you dey press and you dey pain?
Your breast is paining you.
Mama, stop this thing now. Mama, stop am. Mama, stop. You dey pain me. Stop am. No, you touch am.
Your breast is paining you.
Mama, stop am now. You dey pain me. Stop am.
Miss Oma, you are pregnant. Your breast is paining you. Hey! Miss Oma.
I mean, get out.
You are pregnant.
God forbid. God forbid bad things. Mama, no get belle now. Stop am. Nah, Mama, stop am now.
Miss Oma, come here. Miss Oma, you are pregnant. Hey! You finished. Ndilo ma anwụ. Miss Oma. Come here.
Mama, I said no get belle. Why you dey force?
I said come here.
I no get belle. I no get belle. I don't know why they force to say I get belle.
Hey! Hey! I'm finished. Who did this to me? Miss Oma.
This what, Mama?
Come back. Come back, you know. Come, let me see. Come. Come now.
Miss Yama.
Papa, sir?
There's an adage that says that what an elder sees sitting down, even if a child climbs up an iroko tree, he will not see it.
I don't hear that one before.
Beautiful. That's good. Now tell me and your mother here. Who has been touching you? I mean, who has been touching you? This is not you.
Which one be say who has been touching me? Everybody they touch me now. When I go school, everybody they touch me. When I come compound, everybody they touch me now. For village, everybody they touch me. Abi, you know they touch mama. Mama, Papa they touch you now. You self they touch me now, Papa. Maybe you touch me yesterday. Now you don't they touch me. Now you they touch me.
My friend, shut up.
I don't lie now. Papa, maybe you touch me yesterday. Now you touch me.
That is not the question. He said, who has been touching you down here?
Watch.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Now that one way they talk. My brain no carry me reach that side. Nah, that's it. That white uncle with the call for city. Now in the call saying they give me education injection. I go they shoot me. He go come out with thing where they for that. He go put the thing you come long, you come they very strong. He go they shoot me. Huh?
Are you okay?
I think I say you want.
Hey! If only you have gone haywire.
No, Papa, in the suit, oh. Hey, in the suit when you enter me, I go to cry. Instead, I go to cry. You know they cry that cry way they cry that cry way they sweet. You go to hot they sweet. Very sweet.
Hey!
Now education injection. Now waiting they call.
I told you before when this thing was about to happen. You didn't listen to me. Now it has happened. If you had cautioned this girl very well, look at her now. The brother is giving me education injection. He is choking me. He's strong. He's deep. If I
didn't know it would get to this. So,
Mama,
I'm not making you.
I feel tired.
I feel again.
I want to say if the brother come, may follow me, we'll go there now. If I collect finish, you follow collect.
Is your drug, man?
It's sweet, eh? If you enter you now, you go to follow me, you go there.
You are not normal again. The education injection that you are collecting has now turned you into something else. Now you don't even have sense again.
Papa said I go no grandma if I collect and finish. Now the collector, they sweet. Now at the time Mama say if you won't collect me, if you follow me, the two of us will go there. Don't remind me. I don't forget the thing. The place I go. Mama, Papa, you hold Papa number, Abi. If I let me come and me come back, me for they give me the injection.
You are a very stupid girl.
Go they using thing, go they shake.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. So you will not go again. Don't forget that if I fall down dragging you, you'll be in big trouble. Come on, move.
Go on my own.
Go on your own. Go on your own, let me see.
What I do? I collect injection.
Collect injection.
Education injection. I collect.
Let's say you go collect injection education. I said education, not injection.
Injection come my way, man. Injection I collect.
Let us go. You go.
Papa, I'm not doing anything. Now only education I collect.
Yeah.
I don't do anything. What they drag me?
Don't get me angry, oh. I am an old man. If I fall down now, you know what you will go. I will not listen to you at that time.
Papa,
move.
Now when you collect injection,
you have to go.
When they collect injection, when they say they drag me.
Now me give you the injection.
And I'm not
the one that gave you the injection. You must go and meet the person that gave you that injection. Carry your bag.
No, only if they collect education injection. Everybody they collect, only if they.
I don't want to hear any noise. You are used to assure yourself. Let's move. They sent to go and have education. You say injection education. Is there anything like injection education? Stand here. It's your abu. It's your abu.
Is everybody? Stand here, Amadi. Come and stand here.
Amadi, what is going on? What is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? I've never seen you like this before. What is going on?
Ichiago, all is not well.
Wow.
And I am very happy that you used your mouth to tell me that you've never seen me like this before. When the only thing your nephew knows is when he comes to the village, he will be using his this thing up and down, his utu. Piam, piam, piam. Now, he has gotten my daughter pregnant.
Hey.
Come in front so that he will take you.
How could you do this? Amadi, please. I'm not aware of this. I have not been around. I traveled.
Oh, you traveled?
Yes.
Okay. No. Welcome. All I know is that I don't know how you're going to do it. I don't even care. What I advise you to do is to call your nephew. Let him come and take care of his responsibility. Because as far as I'm concerned, she's not going back home with me. She will stay here until your son comes and take her to wherever he's staying, or you can as well keep her.
Amadi.
Yes, you can as well keep her.
Amadi, please, you cannot live by my house
Ichiago,
just like that.
I'll finish what I want to tell you.
Amadi, please, you cannot live by me. Just let's go inside and discuss this amicably. Oh, we can settle this. Huh?
Ichiago,
we can settle this.
Ichiago, do I look like somebody who wants to sit down?
She dey see person wey get sense now.
Do I look like who wants to sit down? As far as she's here, you can keep her. That's my final decision.
Amadi, let's go inside.
Go.
Amadi. Papa, don't leave me here. Papa, take me. Papa, take me.
Ichi Amadi.
Papa, come take me. Come take me now.
Hey.
You hear story.
Hey.
Extended family. Over to you.
Because take it easy. Put one. She's still our daughter. We can settle this amicably. See, from what I saw, she was deceived.
Whether she was deceived or not, like you say, that's not my business. My own is that she must stay with them. She has now become their sole responsibility and they must take care of her.
No.
They must.
But take it easy now. There are better ways to sort this out. Let her come home.
There are better ways to solve these things out. Let her come home. You don't seem to understand this thing. If she is not with his father, he will not look at it as important for him to come and take her to wherever he stays. And me, I cannot be father to another man's child.
Nah, but she's still our daughter.
Yes.
Let her come home.
She's carrying somebody else's child.
Butuzian now. Sorry now. I'm sorry. She's also sorry. Because
I have said my own.
She will come home. She will come home. No. Nah, take it easy now. Butuzian, I'm begging you.
Don't touch me, oh.
I'm begging you. Nah.
I don't want to believe that what I heard is the truth.
What you never hear? You never hear say I don't get belly. I don't get belly. Belly I no plan to get. That white uncle where they come from city. In come they tell me saying they give me education injection. I don't know say na belly that they give me.
Are you serious?
Hey.
You no go better for her. What kind of a wicked man is that?
You don't tell where they give me that belly. Hey! I be say I don't get past 32 for my belly like this. Hey, because if you don't give me injection past like 50 times, I don't get 50 children. I won't take.
Calm down.
Eh?
Calm down. But honestly, Miss Oma, why are you this naive? He's been deceiving you. You didn't deem it fit to tell your friends. At least before tell you saying a lie, they lie give you.
I don't know. I be dey tell myself say if I collect finish, I'll not go tell you if I go dey collect. I don't know say na.
I know they collect that kind one.
I don't know saying they deceive me.
Sorry. No, see exam they come. What will you do?
I don't know. I don't know anything. I no go fit write any exam. That's easy, brother.
when they white, now they tell me say they give me education. Just say if you give me finish, I'll go sabi book. Nah, I go they make book. What's the one sabi for the book? What's it this one? A French. What's it the book for here? I don't sabi anything. Even the grammar when I go sabi, I don't sabi anything. I don't sabi anything. English just the tricky thing. Nothing they enter my head. English they trick me. Nothing they enter.
No, you might trick you first one. You know, tell person. You go back.
Because in the sweet that time. Yeah. In the sweet.
You don't do. You don't learn something.
You don't carry my education go. Now no get education.
You know carry. I go teach you.
No, you can carry her. You carry her. I see how we enter for water. You carry her. You don't carry her. Go sit here. I don't get any education now. I don't get. You don't carry my education. You don't carry my education.
Yeah. You don't do.
You don't carry her.
For where? No carry her.
No, in carry her. I see how in carry her. You don't carry my education. You don't carry her.
DJ, I did not do what I'm calling. You sure you are okay? I've been calling you now. You refuse to wait. My mother and my father. Are you okay? I don't understand. I've been calling you now. I've been wanting to ask you something.
I thought you said you were busy.
I was busy now. I was busy before, but now I'm here. Eh? Wait now, EJ. Look at me. Wait now. I just want to ask you something now. Wait now. Wait time your body go dey view. Is my stomach pregnant?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
So I'm now your gossip mate.
I don't understand.
Go and ask her yourself.
Look at this one. Every time you be pretending. I get out!
Akuna Dubai.
Chidebere doesn't want to pick my calls. Huh? Chidebere, this boy doesn't want to pick my calls. I know what to do. I've been calling him all these days and he's refusing to pick my calls. Yes. Since Mohammed has refused to go to the mountain will not go to the Mohammed. It's okay. It's okay.
You're welcome. Please sit down. My husband didn't tell me they wanted a maid.
It's one of those things. Meso, stand first.
Why don't you just sit down? Let me call.
No problem. Just call him. Call him.
You just came into the house, Uncle.
Injection was faster, education ruled the world.
Okay, hold on, Agwagi. Okay?
It's what now waiting they always tell me.
You see, my elder brother's son, your husband. The last time he visited us in the village, he had an affair with this girl and planted a seed in her womb. And that seed has started growing. That's why we are here.
Is there?
In fact, you have been calling this your husband and he has refused to pick his call. So
So I didn't have any other option than to bring her to his house. She's here. This is his new wife. And don't forget, I'm not going back with her to my house. She's going to remain here. You must take charge of your responsibility.
Excuse me? No, seriously, honey, please, honey, you know me, okay? You know me. You know this is not me. You know look, Uncle, what is this? What do you stand to gain? Why would you bring these people here? What's the meaning of this? I mean, as an elderly person, you should know better. You should do better. I mean, you should invite me first, and then we talk about this. What's the meaning of this? You cover it up, right? There's nothing to cover up. Seriously, there's nothing to cover up.
Chidi, you went to the village. You had an affair. You cheated. What am I saying?
Honey.
Pregnant.
Please, you know me. You know me. You can vouch for me. I mean, you know who I am. I mean, we've been married. You know. This people are lying. You cannot believe fake news. No.
I was stammering. You don't stammer. No, you're stammering.
Honey, listen to me. You cannot believe fake news now. You can't. I don't know what these people are talking about. Really, I don't. I mean, this is somebody who is educationally deficient, and I'll be helping her with assignments.
Assignment is body there.
Oh.
Let assignment kill you there. Assignment of injection is faster. Education is real. Rule the word, okay? That's what you have been doing with my daughter. Injection. My daughter wanted education. Every time she's shouting education. You now want to go and give her injection education. When was the last time I heard there is an injection for education? Chidi. Nothing must happen to my daughter. You must take her in and make sure you take care of her.
Chidebere, Miss Oma is now your responsibility.
Yes.
You are a man and you can be able to control your house and your wife.
Uncle, seriously, I don't know what you're talking about because I don't. Honey, look, these people are lying now. These people are lying. What's wrong, Uncle? You're older than this. What is this? Nobody knows it. What is this? No, she can't stay here. What's all this now? No, look, I'm a married man. What's this? What's wrong with you? Honey.
There is nothing you will say to me that will make me forgive you. Nothing. Why didn't you tell me you wanted a child so bad? You heard the doctor. He said we're both fine. Instead of you to come back home and try hard on me, you impregnated that girl.
Honey, please. Look. I don't know what to say, but I just have to say, please. Please. It's the devil. It's the devil. I don't know how the devil made it through me, but it's. Look, honey, I am big enough a man to say I'm ashamed of myself. Yes, I'm ashamed of myself.
No. I'm ashamed of myself for marrying a man like you. A man without class. How dare you impregnate an illiterate? How dare you? Go away. I don't want to see you. I can't stand looking at you.
Please, darling, please, darling, please. Don't.
A as in apple. B as in battle. K as in cattle. D As in Dabu. So now, baby, go to sit down.
You. Let me tell you, okay? Let me tell you. Where's your father?
You don't go now.
And where's my uncle?
12 of them follow me. They go back to their houses for village. Only me here.
Only you here. You. Let me tell you something, okay? Let me tell you. You see? That's my wife. That is the woman of my dreams. That is the woman I've decided to spend the rest of my life with, okay? You have no space here. No space! Let me tell you. What kind of a person are you? What is this?
I got space here.
You're very stupid.
This house is big now.
Hey, shut up!
Sorry, sir.
What is this? How could you have what? I thought you were mature. How could you get yourself pregnant?
I'm never mature.
Come, this girl, you be like say you dey crazy. I mean, you off, you dey mad. I mean, you smoke hot gum. Wait, why you get me now?
Hey! Everybody come out! Uncle Asma, why you just speak now? Somebody speak PG. Hey! Why you speak PG? Give me like this. Eh?
You mad? So since the craze, you off. That's quite for you. I don't understand the kind of egg where you did. How long you did inside that egg before it hatched? You did mad. Why you get behind now?
Your PG he had passed my own. Where you from, Lena? Hey! Uncle Asma, I'm gonna leave down. What I want to tell you now, say I don't come. Forget all that pregnancy with them. Papa, they talk say I don't get belly. Belly na small thing. What I come, wait carry me come. Wait my mom.
Wait carry you come. Wait.
Now the education why I follow come. I never sabi anything. Since when they give me injection, they give me for 7 days. They give me injection for 7 days. Nothing I sabi. I never see sabi how much you get for your pocket. I don't sabi anything. I don't sabi speak any grammar. I don't come make you prepare yourself. For like say you go give me injection. Now my mind know if this one go work. Like say that village no they work. This city one I don't come now. Like say you go they work. So you go just sit down, sort yourself and say as you want to be runner.
You're mad.
Same to you, sir.
The craze.
Same to you, sir.
I tell you useless. You chop useless witch.
Same to you, sir. Where they go? You never show me to my room now. Go show me to my room. I said they do visitor. I don't come beside. I don't come. Forget about the pregnancy story. That injection now you go they give me. If you go back, come back. Prepare yourself. Come. City injection now you dey wait for. I don't come. Then you can't show me it's my room.
Now listen here, okay?
My husband.
If I slap you. Now listen here, okay? You're confined to this space, the boys' quarters. I don't want you coming out of here constituting nuisance straight to the main house. You understand?
Hunger they catch me, I bet. No, that one they do me. I want to get food. Now more give me food.
You're very stupid. When you were coming in here, did you see any signpost saying welcome to any restaurant? Did you see welcome to Chidi's restaurant here? Why didn't you eat on your way here?
No food for road.
But I don't care. Rubbish.
You don't give me the food now. I want to eat. I just come. At least go welcome me now.
Listen to me, okay? First thing tomorrow, you're going back to the village.
No. I know they go anywhere. Come. I know they go anywhere. This is my husband's house. Now wait till my papa tell me your uncle. See now you be my husband. Now you pick for my belly. You go marry me by fire by force. I don't call my husband's house. No, they give me food now.
Let me tell you something, okay? See you. First thing tomorrow morning, you're going back to the village.
I know they go anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
I know they go.
Then you will stay here and watch what will happen.
Nothing will happen. I know they go anywhere.
When reality hits you here, trust me, you will know your way to the village.
I know my way. And my husband once I come. So I know my way. Abeg, uncle they catch me oh.
Hey, darling. But guess what? I made my baby breakfast in bed. And I did this with love.
I don't want it.
Come on, don't be like this, baby. You know you like noodles in the morning, so baby, here.
I don't want it. What is it? What do you want? Do you want me to throw you a party? Or jump around the house because you made me food? I don't want it. Take it away.
Honey, please don't be like this, okay? I mean, you like noodles in the morning. What? Come on, don't be like this, please. Honey, I've been begging you. I have been begging you. I mean, honey, I even sent you 3 million naira into your account. You didn't even acknowledge that.
Because I'm not interested in it. It can't take all this pain I'm feeling away. It can't take it away. Okay? Another woman is out there. She's having your baby. Take it away. I don't want.
Please. But I've told you. I've told you definitely. Look, honey, I've told you I'll fix things. Okay? Please, just be patient with me.
You fix it?
Of course.
Can you turn a lion into a goat? Can you turn a goat into a frog? Or can you turn back the hands of time? Until then, you come back and talk to me.
Darling, please. Please. Honey, please. I mean, honey, we've gone through this episode enough. Honey, please. This is torture to me. Honey, trust me when I say there is no space for that girl in this house. There's no space. You are the one who is my wife. I cannot marry her. It's impossible. You see, right now, trust me when I say I don't even care about her. I don't even care about the child. I don't care about anything. The only thing I care about is you.
Uncle, I don't want to listen to you. I don't even want to talk to you. I just want to go inside and rest.
Honey, please. I've been pleading with you, please. Just look me in the face and please forgive me. I mean, this is too much. Come on. You can't be keeping malice with me. Please.
Chidi, there is no amount of pleading that will make me forgive you. I can never forgive you. Never!
Darling. Baby. Please. Please.
I don't even know what to do. I don't even know if I'm angry. I don't know if I'm sad. I'm confused. The only thing driving me crazy is the thought of... Why?
Honey,
don't touch me.
God.
Baby, no, they cry. Yeah. Don't say go see food shop. Baby, they get sense. When they see food, they keep quiet.
And what the hell is going on here? Eh? Where's mom? You're very stupid. How dare you go into my kitchen? Take my food and you're eating it. No, be me now. Baby, say my God, take the food. Eat. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'll scatter your brains. You know, men can actually not be trusted. What do men want? You see, I have great respect and I admire your husband a lot. That I even wish that men would have that characterization of discipline in them.
Discipline?
Yeah.
Please, I beg. That one that does not even have class. Much less discipline.
Talking about class, where's the local girl?
I don't know. And I don't care. But trust me, I am dealing with her. You know these village girls? What they do is they go around getting pregnant for married men and moving into their homes. But this one, I'm going to teach her a lesson she would never forget. I am going to deal with her mercilessly.
I don't know what these young girls of these days, what they're turning into. From one married man to the other. Just jumping from one place to the other. Eh?
You know, my father-in-law and her father came here and dumped her for us. This is just the beginning.
My love, I want you to be calm. Endure. It has happened. One thing for sure. No village or any local girl can chase you out of your husband's house. Smile.
Thank you.
Look at that. It's fine. It looks good.
You like it?
I don't say I saw this white uncle, they very wicked. Uncle White man, a very bombastically wicked man.
He no go fit tell wife, man, they treat me bad. Every time they do bad things to me, they do bad things for me. He no go give me food, nothing. So small baby never eat. Me sef, I no see anything I want eat.
Eh? Mama, I go for now, be my go back. Hey, even if I go for now, wait I won't buy. Now no see agbacha, no see nothing. Even Gary, you no get Gary for house. They go to be that tea where they saw at the sweet. No as they take they call that one safe.
Hey! Come back here. And where do you think you're coming from?
Auntie White Man, I sit down for gate, I dey count all the cars and the...
Have you finished washing the clothes I asked you to wash?
I don't wash everything, I don't pack your
And
cup.
how dare you go out without cleaning?
Auntie White Man, why you slap me now? I dey forget that they count the motor where they pass.
Shut up! You think you can come to this house and smash my friend's husband? You are in for a joke. Local smelling girl. This is just a tip of an iceberg. Rubbish.
Bed no they get teeth and eyes before.
Get out from here! I said get out!
You I know say you be fire auntie before. You go they put fire, maybe white auntie they beat me. You no go tell and say me no they beat me, so they carry baby. You know go they test the auntie make sure they beat me. You go leave auntie White Man go they beat me. No sir, they carry baby for my belly. You want they call you say you be fire auntie before, you know still fine. You be what auntie? You what auntie?
Come on, get out from here!
What auntie? I'm with you. What auntie?
This is for you to do the camp situation. You go there. You go
But
there.
she get out from here.
You go there. You go there. Fire. They add fire. They add fire. If you ugly auntie, don't be ugly for my head. Okay.
This girl is so local and dirty.
That is what I've been dealing with. That.
Alright, see. This house is your house. And nobody can push you out. Not that local dirty girl. She's not your class at all. Not a match. Smile. Smile. Drink up.
I will never forgive Chidi for this embarrassment. I would never.
Shut up! What's all this? Keep quiet! Are you stupid? What is this? No, why are you wailing like some lost dog? What is this? Why constitute a nuisance here? This is noise pollution, you know. I said keep quiet.
They do me bad thing now. When you dey come village, they come tell me say they do me education injection. You know say na belle they put on my belly. I don't call now. They do me bad thing. Your wife they do me bad thing. How they give me food eat?
Listen, okay, if you need somebody to apportion blames to, it is that man who didn't use a condom and gave birth to you that you call your father, that rickety old thing that left you here. I said, shut up! What is this? I'll tell you something, okay? You're going to find your way to the village. Trust me. Trust me when I say this.
I don't go anywhere. I'm not telling you now you be my husband. I don't go anywhere.
You crazy? Who be your husband? You dey mad?
So you don't speak pidgin now. They speak pidgin, abi?
You dey crazy.
No, they crazy for your
You
mother.
dey mad.
I dey mad for
you.
You. I dey colo.
You're very stupid.
Now only for your mother they do stupid.
You shut up! If I slap you into non-existence. You're having fun, right? I'm talking, you're rhyming. I say you're stupid, you say you're stupid for me, and all of that. No problem, no problem. No problem, continue, okay?
I dey color for you.
But when it gets hot, when it gets heated, trust me when I say you're going to leave that rickety thing you call Ghana Moscow that you used to come here, that smelling thing, and find your way to the village. Trust me.
No, they go now. You be my husband. Come, now you be my husband. Now you be my husband. They're hungry. My husband. My husband, they're hungry. I never eat food. How can they catch me? I never eat food. I know the figure myself. I know they feel fine. Like say people know they feel fine. I don't vomit. My body they wake me. I don't know if you feel carry me to hospital. Now they get myself. They told me.
Is that why you're disturbing my sleep?
I did.
My peaceful sleep. Is that why you're disturbing it?
No, I did very sorry. Now baby, no, you don't be my sleep. They told me.
Stop!
What's going on? What is this?
What's she doing here? Why is she here? Why is she in my room? This is my matrimonial home. Why is she here?
Look, let me tell you something, okay? If anything happens to this girl, if anything in the world happens to her, we could go to jail, you know.
I don't care. You will go to jail because that's your baby. That's your sperm. You will go to jail. You brought this mess into our life, so you will fix it. Fix it!
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Seriously, what? Why are you so stubborn? No, seriously, why are you so stubborn? Why are you just so stubborn? Why? Can't you just go back? Why are you so stubborn?
Hurry up. You need to clean this place very fast. Fast! I don't want my house smelling. Your presence already here is making the whole house stink.
City auntie. If I clean finish, it go give me food, make me and baby eat. We never eat food, they're hungry.
Food kill you then. Did your father buy any food in this house? Good. Anyways, I don't blame you. I blame them. Because if they had trained you well, you wouldn't open your legs for my husband.
Come on! Continue with this. Yeah, go to that side. Yes, yeah, clean, dust. Move around! In my house, so don't even try it. If you want to die, wait till you get back to your father's house.
I don't like this your idea. Don't like this your idea of going to dump our daughter in another man's house. Since then the man has not even bothered to call or deem it fit to come and pay her bride price.
Adugo, I left that house just to come out here and sit down and take fresh air. Now you have come with your trouble again. In fact, I don't have any comment for you. Whatever your daughter sees in that house, she deserves to see it. She deserves it.
No. The deed has been done. Even the young man self, I don't even know the kind of person he is. We got to go and check our daughter to see if she's eating, if she's comfortable, if they are giving her food. Just like that. See, the young man deceived her. It's not totally her fault. Her fault here now.
The young man deceived her.
He deceived her.
Her fault, yeah.
Fault, yeah.
I know you will always support her. It is your support. That support that you used to give to her. That's what has put her in this trouble. Now she's already in the mess. The one that is even disturbing my brain is that stupid son of Ichiagu. That non-entity, a good for nothing Otoboyoko, that is even married. If he was in Namdi, I would say okay. But look at the mess. Now you are telling me do something.
Nah, sorry. Omego, she's sorry. I'm also sorry. But as it is now, I'm so worried. I don't even know how she's feeling there. I don't know how my body is doing me. We're supposed to go and check on her to know if she's very well.
However your body is doing you, Adugo. Whether you are worried or your body is doing you one kind. As far as I'm concerned, I've made myself clear. There is nothing I can do.
You do something, you do something. No, you do something.
Absolutely nothing, Adugo, nothing.
You do something. You do something. Do something. Now let's go and check on her. Let's go now to see if she's eating there. If they're giving her food now with her condition.
I have not become a chief. Do something.
No, sorry.
You must do something.
Sorry.
You must do something.
Let's do it together.
Leave me alone, please.
Do something. Do something.
I did die. Help me. I did die. Help me. I did die. Help me. Joe.
I mean, can you just imagine? No, seriously. No, Uncle, can you need to get this girl out of here. I'm telling you. She needs to leave here. I've had enough. Excuse me, what are you even saying? I'm telling you, this girl just does nothing but spit around the house, and then she just you know lies anywhere. I mean, what is it with decorum that she doesn't have? She cannot be here. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Excuse me. Look. Get this girl out of here. I am telling you, I am warning you people right now because this place is too hot. It's getting too hot for all of us to contain. So she has to leave here right now because she's on my last nerve as we speak. And hello? He dropped the call. He dropped the call. Honey, he dropped the call on me. Uncle dropped the call on me because I'm telling him the truth. I'm telling him the truth about what he should do. Alright. And by the way, why is that girl lying down there? Why did you allow that?
I don't know. I told her to clean up the house. The next thing, she just pretended to have fainted. So I left her there. See, my own is, when she passes back in, when she wakes up, she will continue the cleaning and finish the whole chores in this house.
So she pretended to pass out?
Yeah.
This girl should go. This girl should go because... Look, I don't want my anger level getting from 100 to 1,000. I'm telling you, this girl could die. She could just die in my hands. I'm telling you, and I don't want that to happen. Uncle needs to get her out. Seriously.
When you were diving there, you didn't know that your anger level will go up.
Sit auntie. Sit auntie no. Sit auntie we find pass all the auntie we did this world. And even the world will know. Now you find pass. Your shoe they shine. Even your leg they shine. Your face they show. Sit auntie I beg. I feel see small food from this your food chop. Me and baby never eat food since that time we will come city.
There is no food.
Na the food where they see na this one.
Can you smell that? Something is smelling.
Yes, na the food. Na this food. Na they smell. No, the food.
No, it's not the food. It's you. You're smelling. Get out. There is no food.
Sit auntie, I beg now. I beg. I dey hungry. If I don't vex you for that word before I come this world, I beg. Pity baby, give us food now, baby. Now in the hungry pass. You never see food chop. Until I come beg you.
Is baby listening to me?
Now you say I come meet you, may give us.
Okay. Tell baby there is no food.
Baby, they see food when they for table.
Then I is paining baby. Baby is not seeing well. Look, the only food in this house are the ones left for the dogs.
Okay, give us the dog food, more for it.
And my dogs will starve.
Auntie, I beg now. Since we will come for this city, we never eat. We never eat. No be me tell Uncle White Man, make him tell me say won't give me education injection. After don't give me education injection, finish now. He can put belly for my belly. Baby can't they grow. No be me, na baby won't eat. Baby say won't eat food.
Are you talking to me?
Hey, na baby talk. Maybe me the talk. Listen, why they get me? If I don't do you party for that word, not another word be this. Why they get me?
I don't blame you. I blame my husband. Because if he wanted to cheat, he would have done it with somebody more classier. Not your kind.
Yeah, beg. Give her 1 spoon. Give me 1 spoon, I just eat. Me go enter for baby belly. Now baby in belly, now in the hungry pass.
number in the house.
And what is this? What is this? No, seriously, what's it with you sitting here?
As I ask you today, see what I do you. Which bad thing I do you? Maybe you where I did for village, you come miss me, say you want teach me education injection. I can't follow you, I dey feel say you be very good man. No, say na bad man you be. You can't lie to me, later you can't give me belle. My papa can't carry me, can't keep me for your house, you can't insult me. You know, cause me that Uncle Chidi who I know for village when they always play with me, they be with me. Since I come here, your wife no they give me food, I'm not they see food eat. You say you can't they insult me. What did I do you?
Let me tell you something, okay? From the very moment you got into whatever rickety vehicle with your father and my uncle and you came here, that's when you started offending me. You have no moral justification to come here. You have no right to come here into my marital home. You have no right. So whatever it is you get, keep getting it. Whatever it is you see, keep seeing it.
What did I do? I don't do anything. And I never want to get belle before. Now you put belle for my belle. You know they agree with me and baby they eat food. That day now I don't fall for you with my eye they tell me because I never see food eat for 1 week. I won't go back for village. I want to go back village. I won't go to Papa's. I go to see food they eat for Papa's.
Excuse me? What did you just say?
I won't go back village.
You want to go? Splendid. Fantastic. It's the best thing you have ever said. It's the best thing, okay? You know what? I have money in the car, so I'll escort you to the gate and then you can go, okay? I'll give you money for transportation. That's fine. I mean, that is the best thing you have said. Please, okay? Your slippers, I'll do you the honors, alright? Yes, fine. Come on. You can wear your slippers right here. Alright, okay. Oh my God. Yes, you can go. Yes, you've done noble. This is noble by you. Okay, fine. Yes, super yes. Now, honey, she's gone. Well, of course, our problem is gone. Miss Oma.
Oh, good for her.
Yeah, so now that she's gone, can I have my wife back, let's get back to being us. Let's our home just come back to the bliss it once enjoyed. Please, because I've missed you and I want my wife back.
You want a happy home?
Of course.
You're not gonna get it. Yes, you're not going to get it. You had an affair. That's not even my problem. She got pregnant. Pregnant in the process. Listen and listen carefully. Make sure that girl doesn't come back to this house. Otherwise, both mother and child will end up in a body bag.
Talk now. I don't like what you are doing now.
I told you I'm going for a visit. What is disturbance that you keep giving me? I don't understand.
Talk now. Talk. I don't like it. See, it's because I don't say anything about our daughter. I'm not saying anything. So we have to sit and watch her just like that.
So what else do you want me to do? No, I'm asking you, what do you want me to do? She has narrated her experience to us. Abi? Oh yeah. So what are we supposed to do? She's back to us now as our own daughter. What do we owe her? Responsibility of taking care of her. That's what we owe her. After all, this stupid idiot has been denying our daughter right from day one. And you want to block my way? Because I'm going for this meeting. I'm almost late. Maybe when I come back. Let me go for that meeting.
So bad. We'll talk when you come back. Some boys are wicked though. All because he knows she's naive. Balance of water.
Chidabere! Chidi! What? Chidabere! I'm listening. Why must you bring that girl back?
Why wouldn't I? It's totally the best thing for her. Yes, her coming back home is the best thing for her. Besides, Bridget will kill her. You brought that girl to jeopardize my marriage. Why would you bring her to my house? For what?
Chidi, Bridget is your wife. Can you not control your wife?
Well, I can't. I cannot. That's it. If that's what you want to hear, I cannot control Bridget. I can't. Why did you bring that girl to my house? You brought that girl to jeopardize my marriage. That is what you did. I know what you did. I know. Look, if you care about this girl, why don't you take her to your own house, okay? Keep her in your own house. That's better. Keep her there and take care of her. Why would you bring her to my house?
Keep her in my house for who to take care of her? What about her upkeep? Huh? Besides, that girl is pregnant for you.
I don't know what you're talking about. No, seriously, I don't know what anybody's talking about. Let me tell you, you brought that girl to jeopardize my marriage. That's what you did. I know what you did. You brought her to jeopardize my marriage. That is what you did. And it's not going to work. You understand me? It's not going to work. If you care about that girl, take her into your own house. You take care of her. I mean, don't bring her to my house. I don't know her. I don't want to know her. As a matter of fact, let me tell you this, okay? Let me tell you this. That girl is not pregnant for me. I don't know her. I don't know what anybody's talking about. Yes, I mean it. Yes. Yes.
Chidabere, you're working out for me, Chidabere. Are you sure this boy is normal? How could he be behaving like this towards a girl that is pregnant for him? And he is very much aware that it is he that got that girl pregnant. Hey! Chidabere, youths of these days, they are all going crazy. And they think they know it all.
Please, sit there. This place is cool.
Yes, I think it's better here.
Yes. You're welcome.
My friend Ichiamadi.
You're welcome.
We cannot pretend that all is well when it is not. You see, I'm very sorry for all that is happening. I have tried to speak sense into my nephew, but he has refused to see reasons with me.
Chiago, the amazing thing is that your nephew keeps denying the pregnancy that he's responsible for. Even when we forced my daughter to at him, he still finds a way to send her back to us. We're not even talking about the ill treatment my daughter got in his hands, alongside his own wife.
You don't know what he's doing. You see, Chidabere, he will come back to his senses. You will see, he must come back to his senses. Meanwhile, I'm so sorry for as things are now. If I had my way, I would have said, let her come and stay with me so I take care of her. But I know nothing. I know little or nothing about women and pregnancy. Had it been my wife is around, she would have been in a better position to take care of her. But as you can see, my wife has refused to return from our daughter's place. So I think it is better she stay here with her mother. She's in better hands. I'll be coming from time to time to check on her and share the responsibility.
Thank you, Chiago. Thank you so very much. You know you're a very good friend of mine. I am not blaming you for this whole thing. It's not your fault. It's not your fault at all. So I suggest you don't bother yourself. My daughter is my responsibility. And I can take care of her anytime, any day. I did not bring her to your house because I could not take care of her. No. I only did that so that your nephew can be responsible. But obviously you can see, he has refused. And we cannot force him.
Tell Amadi I'm so sorry. I know you're upset.
I'm upset, quite alright. But it's okay, Thiago. It's okay. I'm fine now. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Even this guy know why they chop. You know they do many things for body. My body they tell me say me I go do education injection. My body they tell me say make I do education injection. Education injection. The right man will just come. He go dey do education injection. This education injection now you see put me for trouble. My body see what me I do. Hey, my summer. I know they hear what. This education injection will don't put me for trouble. I see once. Not be me they make come. Now my body they tell me say make I want time. They do me what? Go. Hey, I know they always hear what. But when people they go front, they go back. How do they go back? I know they use my head, not why I know. I be annoying God before I come this world. Hey.
Surprised to see me? It's me. I'm so sorry. Of course, I didn't know all this happened to you. Right? You know, I was coming close to you, but you didn't give me the chance to talk to you. Right? You just took advantage of the fact that you're naive. Because any reasonable person would have known that there is nothing like education injection or whatever.
I don't know that time. Because since they tell me say if I collect education injection, I'll get sense. No saying they lie to me because they won't put small picking for my belly.
It's okay. The deed has already been done. Alright? I'll do everything possible to help you. Okay? But first of all, I will take you to the city.
Yeah?
Yes, while you are home, doing nothing or probably waiting to deliver this child. I'll get you a private tutor. You need to learn.
Private? No. Uncle, very big man. I don't want anything private. Now private, now you put me for where I did like this. I don't want anything what they do for us. I may use our clear eyes they see. I don't want private. No, do for what people go they see us. What they see what they do with clear eye.
Listen, this is not the kind of privacy I'm referring to, right? This one would actually teach you things you need to know. Okay? You know, you learn how to read and write. And of course, this one will teach you how to be reasonable and understanding. Yes, of course.
Now I go follow you go city.
Yes, you will follow me, but I'll need to talk to your parents about my decision. Okay? You'll be okay. Alright? I can see you're smiling.
I'm busy, my baby. Ingo no education. You don't go mumu like me.
Yeah, you're not mumuing anything. You're okay. Alright? You're not a mumu. You're fine. You still wear this, your smile. Beautiful smile.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Uncle Undertaker. Thank you. Thank you. I go follow you because I know you're the better person. You know, be like that Uncle White Man, we come the light to me, come put one mom for my belly.
Who is Uncle White Man again?
Now that uncle where they come for city, where put the small picking we in my belly. Now Uncle White Man.
It's okay.
But I go follow you because I know say you be Uncle Black Man, you.
Oh.
you did very good.
Okay, no problem.
You see, I have always known Nnamdi to be a very good and responsible boy. Where your daughter found that idiot is what I don't know.
In fact, I am happy that finally she's having a chance, a second chance. Nnamdi is a very, very good man. Thank God that devil did not win her chance of being with him. And he can never win her chance.
I did very happy side the Go City. If I go city now, I go beg very big brother say make him go put me for school. So that if I dey learn education, my baby go know education. He no go be like me, he go get education.
You and this your education. Not to worry, very soon you'll be educated. Oh?
One day you will be educated.
Amen.
Because right now, by the grace of God, you're on the right path. So go and get your things together so that you don't keep him waiting by tomorrow. No go. Go and get your things ready.
City education. Like I don't want to go sweet pass.
My prayer is that young man, is that let God continue to bless him. He is a true son of this land. God, please, continue to shower blessings on him. Look at the kind of shame that our daughter, you say our daughter, fine, it's our daughter, it's not only your own. Look at the kind of shame that she was going to bring to us. Imagine what would have become of me if that had happened.
Now I know that he have genuine love for our daughter.
Yes.
God will continue to bless him.
Yes.
But if not a slave, that naughty boy, no problem.
That Otoboloko. God, I thank you. I thank you for bringing this boy into our life at this time. Thank you very much. Thank you. We really appreciate this.
You don't need to thank me. I will do everything within my powers to make sure she's okay. To make sure I put her on the right tracks. I'll be calling you from time to time to know how you guys are doing. Alright? But as for her, she'll be okay. She'll be fine.
I believe you. Mr. Oma.
Sir?
Make sure you listen to him, because I know you. I know you very, very well. Respect him. Anything he tells you to do, do it. Don't disrespect him, because I don't want you to come back here again tomorrow and come and tell us that one city boy did this or did that. Be a good girl,
This is why she's holding her head like a gamma lizard.
She's agreeing to what we are saying.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I go miss Funa. If I reach it, I go call her in phone so I go call me.
Make sure you do that.
That's very good. Go on, let's go. It's your man. Oh? It's your man, it's your man. Madam, oh, it's bon one. One on of my oh. Drive safely, oh.
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye, oh.
What?
I want to enter you.
No, you can't be there. Come on.
You know, you sit by his side.
I want to enter there.
That's for the driver. He's the one that will drive. Oh.
Papa, you're right.
Wow. But the man, which your man?
Okay, sir.
Bye bye.
Papa, bye bye.
Bye. Hello, come on. Oh.
Bye bye.
Iga pale zia hapa, nani kwa pale anu?
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sorry. Now your house be this. Hey! Your house fine, no? Why you say all the people for street they get fine house? Now so white brother house fine, and so your house fine like your own.
White brother again. Thanks for the compliment. Do you like it here?
What's in there? What's in the call this one?
That's 4. 4.
Yeah, this one.
3. Don't worry, I will teach you all that, alright?
Hey, they touch people.
Come on, you need to go. AC remote for the AC.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
Hey! She not gonna shoot me. This one.
No.
Yeah.
This one is called frame.
She will shoot you. Come this side.
This one is called frame. There's no way this thing is gonna shoot me. Alright?
In the point and the corner.
Not my direction. Okay, let me put it back.
Okay.
This is how it should be. Alright?
Okay.
You know what you need to freshen up.
Make I use this one hold my body. you know they shout. You know be like anti-white man where they shout. I am what they go.
Okay. Alright. Let me show you to your room.
Now crocodile egg be this.
It's not an egg, alright? To your room.
Okay. This. Okay.
Yes.
Ah, this is your house, fine.
Oh. So much work. Hey, I think you should take it easy on the food. You guys are not fighting, of course.
I can't be giant. No, guys. I'm looking at your food, but
It's sweet. Thank you.
It's alright. You don't have to talk while eating, so you don't get choked, alright? Oh. See how you're rushing the food like you guys fought in the night. No, drink from the glass. No, See.
And so, when I did for white people, that has no good day. No good day. No good day. I'm going to not going to eat food. Just sweet.
Oh.
Greetings, Mr. Nandi.
How are you?
Welcome, sir.
Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So how is it going?
Fine, sir.
It's been a while. Sit. Meso, sit down. Okay? Meso. Mr. Toba, your new teacher. Yes, he'll be coming around to take you tutorials that will make you improve. Alright? What's the problem?
Hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well.
Sure, right?
Yes. Sit. Meso, sit down. Okay.
So, tell me, when would you like her to start?
As soon as you can.
Okay. Based on what you told me over the phone,
yeah,
I think it's best we have our tutorials 5 times in a week. Then she rests during the weekend.
5 times in a week. Okay. Alright. Hey! What is wrong with you? Huh?
I know one teacher.
Alright, I understand, alright? But this very teacher is not bad. He's my friend. Am I bad? Huh? Since I'm not bad, there is no way my friend will be bad. He's my friend. Okay?
He be bad minded. He dey show for him face. He dey very wicked.
I'm sorry about this.
It's not.
I'm sorry.
It's not.
I trust you. I trust you so much. So all I want you to do for me is to bring out the best in her.
No problem.
Don't mind what just happened here.
It's not.
She's a good girl. A very nice girl. Alright?
You have nothing to worry about.
Thank you.
I believe she will definitely improve. She will.
Yeah.
She will.
So, what do I offer you?
Nothing.
Hi, honey.
Yes.
Did you forget anything?
Actually, yes, I did. The Strongbow medical supply contract I was helping Theophilus with. Thank God I hadn't even gone for it. He called me, so I have to come back and get it. Okay? No, I know where it is. That's fine. No need. I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you? Dave!
Mr. Chidi, how are you? Good afternoon. You hope no problem? Just keep calm. Come inside. Let's talk about it.
Baby, I've been calling you. I was worried. What is it? What is going on? Are you okay? What is it?
So for years, you made me believe what is not, right?
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Are you okay?
What's this?
What is what?
What is this?
What? I don't understand.
What is this? Stop talking! Right now!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should have told you, but I didn't want to lose you. I was scared. Years back, I had an operation done. I had fibroid. In the process, it got complicated and it damaged my womb. I'm sorry. I should have told you. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
For years, you made me believe I could be a father. And you connived with that thing, that animal, that thing called a doctor!
Sorry,
You connived with him, deceiving me for years! Years!
I'm so sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please, baby, please, please. Hey! Chidi, please!
I tell you what! Don't!
Please, wait!
say I'm going to learn French today? French wey dey here.
It's Revy.
I-O-A-U. Vowel sound. I-O-A-U. Vowel sound. Vowel sound. I-O-A-U. Vowel sound. Vowel sound. I-O. Teacher say, am I a man? Am I a man? M as for boys. M as for boys. Am I a man?
Meso. How are you?
Welcome.
Okay. How was your day?
Fine.
And the lesson?
Fine.
Okay. For you.
You know the bad thing for me.
You what?
You always the bad things for me.
No. That's the wrong one. Correct yourself.
Okay, the English. You. They always buy something come when they come back.
It's still wrong. Say it one more time. You'll get it.
You.
You
buy something always.
Still wrong.
You know wrong now. What's teacher tell me? Say me I dey talk.
Try one more time. Relax your mind. Alright? You'll think deep before you say. Okay? Alright, come.
Me and you dey always buy something when they come back.
Me and you cannot always buy something when you come back. It's still wrong. I'll say it again.
Uncle, very big black man. No verse. Mind they pay me. And I don't
Mind cannot pain you.
They pay me.
Look, you can only be stressed.
Now that one why they talk.
Or you're tired. You can only say you're tired. Alright? Mind cannot pain you.
My own they pay. My own no be like your own. My own get CB. They pay.
Okay. I'm still all ears. Correct yourself. Come again. Relax your mind. I am proud of you. I know you will get it. Just calm down. Think. Listen to yourself as you want to talk. Okay? Go.
You always they buy something.
Still wrong.
Then now you they buy something, they can't be me they buy something.
Okay, but the statement is wrong. Alright? Correct yourself, come again.
I don't they come since you no agree accept that.
Okay, come this time around.
Since why they come, you no agree. I don't come, I don't tire.
You can't be tired. Okay? Just say the right one. If you say the right one this time around, I will let you be. Okay?
I be more for 30 chamen they come again.
No. It's for your own good, alright? Okay? You don't want to know English?
No.
Hello. That's one of the things you need to do. You can't just wake up one morning and know English. Okay? You will pass through stress. And that's what you're doing now.
You always buy
okay
things for me.
You always buy things for me. Correct! I'm proud of you! Listen, keep on making me proud. And I'll keep on buying you gifts. This one is small. More are coming. You always buy things for me.
No be things.
Okay.
Nah, things.
Things. I agree. Okay.
No, that one is sweet. No, it's sweet fast.
Okay, it's sweet though. I like it. You always buy things for me. I've not washed my hands.
Yeah, come make I wash my face.
I'm really disappointed at you. So you could hide such a thing from your husband?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I had a surgical operation done. It had to be done because the fibroid was eating deep into me.
You would have told me. Am I not your best friend? You would have confided in me. It's okay. You just need to give him some time. He will come around.
I just don't want to lose my husband.
My baby, you will not lose your husband. But I know he would go look for that local girl now. It's fine.
Definitely. That will be his next plan.
To be honest, I don't know how the future will be like. But I just pray it doesn't affect your home at the long run.
Please don't say it. I cannot lose my husband. I can't lose my home.
You just need to be calm, my love.
Oh God.
Sweetheart, it's okay. Crying will never ever solve this. It will be fine. You need to support your husband now. You need to even look for the girl yourself. You just need to make your marriage your home work. Yeah, you need to make it work. Okay.
Thank God you're back. I was so worried. I was confused. I didn't just know how to tell you. I wanted to tell you. I'm really sorry.
You're sorry?
Yes, please.
For what? No, what exactly are you sorry for? For making me hostile to a girl who's pregnant with my child?
Baby, you can bring her back. Bring both of them back. I'll take care of them. I'm sorry.
Take care of what?
The baby and the...
Well, that's too late.
Okay.
You understand me? Because I don't know what is even wrong with them now. I don't know how they're doing. I don't know how they're faring. I don't even know where I stand.
Baby, we'll go and look for them. We'll go and look for them. Please. I'm sorry.
What's the matter with this?
My legs. Please, no.
My legs.
Please.
My legs.
Bend my neck. Kill myself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Chidi, what are you doing in my compound?
Sir.
What are you doing in my compound? Osimu, sir?
Sir, please, sir. You see, I first of all would be humble a man and small a man. You know, I'm reasonable and adult to say I'm really sorry for what transpired the last time we met. Please, kindly forgive whatever juvenile behavior I brought forward, sir. But in turn, sir, the truth of the matter is I'm actually here to see Miss Yoma. But firstly, father to son, if you can please just, you know, please, as a father, allow us to sit down and talk first of all.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Really, Chidi?
Yes, sir.
Sit down and talk.
Yes, sir. Father to son, sir.
And also, you want to see Miss Yoma?
Yes, but first of all, I would like us to sit down and talk, sir.
Oh, no, don't worry. Don't worry about sitting down. Let me just go and call Miss Yoma for you.
Sir?
Hold on.
You want to call her first of all?
Just wait for me. I'm coming.
Thank you, sir. I'm
Wait
quite
for me.
humble, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Wait, I want to see Miss Yoma. Yeah. Please, here. Miss Yoma. Foolish boy. Don't put in this compound again. Nonsense. Not your Miss Yoma.
You see your life? Can you now see your life? So if not that you found out this about your wife, you would have abandoned that girl, that innocent girl, with your own child. You young men of these days, I don't know why you always find it hard to make out some time and take good decisions.
Uncle, please. I've learned my lessons. I am meek now. I am humbled. So in all, I just need you as always to be there for me, okay? Please, this is what's going to happen. I need you to escort me to her people so that, you know, we can go make amends.
Never! It is you. I cannot follow you to anywhere. It is your own mess. So just go and clean it up.
You can't say this. No, I mean, look, you've always been there for me all my life. You've always been there for me. You're the father figure I know. I mean, you're the only father figure I know. You're my uncle. My father died when I was young. You practically raised me. I mean, who will do this for me? You're the only person who can do this for me. Please, come on, you can't turn your back on me now.
When you first turned your back on me, I advised you. I called you several times. You refused to pick my calls. We came to your house. We brought the girl, your supposed second wife. You did not even welcome Ichia Amadi and I. Now you are telling me, see, this is your mess. Chidi, fix it.
Uncle, you can't do this now. It's impossible. I mean, are you serious? You're not going to help me out? Is that what you're saying?
Very useless man. Can you imagine? Shebi they swear for Chidi. They swear for him. Easy they come your compound. Papa see if he comes to your compound again one more time, see, I want you to rough-handle him. Treat him like a criminal and a fool that he is. Why will you not show up to that compound? Is he mad? Yes! In fact, pour him hot water. He's a very useless man.
Let me talk to him.
Hello, it's you. I know you will definitely come back. Yes, of course. Oh, I think we should arrange for a meeting. No, there is no settlement. We only need to keep records straight for this idiot. Failure to do so, he will still come back.
Can you imagine?
Yes. Yeah, it's okay. We are fine. Yes. Yes, sir. Okay. Look.
I don't know what I've done to this man. Only him puts me in this condition. He's still coming with another wahala this time. What have I done to this man? Why can't he just let me be?
You don't need all this stress, alright? Allow Papa to handle it.
I just wish I was there. I would have taught him a lesson of his life.
It's fine. You don't need to shout so much.
Oh, this thing just pissed me off now. I'm very angry. At the vex.
Don't worry, I'll deal with him.
After everything, he has the mind to show up again.
I will deal with him.
Very, very useless injection, man.
Leave my house and 5 point hot water. See them poor.
Please, can you just calm down, please? Please. Can I kindly see Miss Oma, please? Look, let me just see her. Let me talk things with her. Trust me when I say everything will be fine in the end. Please.
Miss Oma, don't worry. She's in safe hands. Miss Oma is in good hands. You don't need to see her.
Please. Ma, please. Just hear me out. Just calm down and hear me out. Please. Please.
Hey, money is very wicked. You're a very wicked and heartless man. You took advantage of my daughter. And you abandoned her! You and your wife meted all kinds of evil treatment on my daughter. You're here saying you want to see Miss Oma. Ma, who give me no
Please. I beg of you, ma. Please. Just look. She actually left. She left on her own accord. Trust me when I say that. I swear. She said she wanted to go. But that's not the bone of contention right now. Please. Let's just reach a consensus. Let me just calm down. Tamper justice with mercy, please. Let me just see her and then we'll be fine in the end. Please.
No problem.
Please. Ma, please, can you just...
Ma. So you are still here. Education injection, if not called. I'm going to chagu. This in this company. Ichiago, your nephew had the guts to come to my house and tell me rubbish.
Ichiamadi, you know, I wouldn't have followed him to your house if not that I have seen a genuine repentance in him. He has realized his mistakes and is ready to make amends.
Make amends?
Yes.
Did you say make amends? Ichiago, that amends, I am not ready for any amends any longer. After all, he denied my daughter and the pregnancy.
Ichi, please. Please, I am sorry. I am so sorry. I am responsible. I am the one who got her pregnant. Yes, I am responsible for everything. But a lot happened. A lot. I just don't want to say things, but a lot happened. But right now I can see better. But please, sir, father to son, I beg you. I beg you, just help me. Let this dark tunnel be bright. Please, sir. I am sorry. I'm really sorry.
I am sorry too, Chidi. I am sorry. Oh? I cannot trust my daughter with you any longer. I cannot. As far as I'm concerned, you are a very careless and irresponsible human being. And my daughter is in safe hands as I'm talking to you now. Very safe hands. And if you insist you want to look for her, you can go and find her in the city. She's in the city. She is in the city. And very, very safe. Very comfortable. And then let me warn you. Don't trespass. Because if you trespass, I will not tell you what will happen to you. I will not.
Amadi, my friend, please. You need to calm down. We can settle this amicably. You need to calm down, please.
Thiago, you're asking me to calm down. Yes. In fact, this meeting is over. This meeting is what? Over. And I'm leaving. When you're tired, you can go to your house.
Iche! Uncle, what are you doing? Uncle, follow him now.
Follow him
to his house and go and beg him.
I'm not following him to anywhere. You heard what he said.
I heard, but please go talk to him.
He said if you want to see his daughter, you go to the city and look for her.
Uncle, what are you talking about? What do you mean I should go and look for her in the city? How can you be talking like this? I mean, what are you talking about? I should go to the border of the city and shout her name or what? Come on, Uncle, let's be reasonable here. Just go to this man and talk to him, please.
Chidi, to be honest with you, Every treatment you are getting from this issue, you deserve it. I'm going home. You can meet me in the house. Uncle, what do you mean?
Since you know it's always causing problems, you stop doing it. Your mother is a nice woman. She cannot just be complaining. I really miss our friend. And now we are done with our exam. She's nowhere to be found. All of a sudden, you miss her. Oh, is it a crime to miss someone too? I should be asking you. It's not a crime. She must have put to bed now. She must have put to bed. And now we are done with our exam. My name is Ijoma Okonkwo. Her name is Mesoma Ani. Why do you always ask me things about her? Or you just want to gossip? Is it a crime to ask someone question? Every time church or chore? Ajojo, your job. Is it a crime? If you're not an idiot, I was just advising you about your mother. You will not pick that one. You should ask me nonsense question as if I'm the one that gave birth to you.
It's not something that I want to ask that I will ask. Chimo, this is not what I want to ask that I will ask. I'm going to think of it. Me! Honey, don't chatamaka. Idara. Who vex now? She was in you. Wait. Let's go. Let's go. And this our exam. I just pray that this our exam will just come out good. I can't wait. Why are you possessed? Yeah. Why are you possessed? Please take your negativity elsewhere. You just pray. If you don't read, you will fail. It's not fair. It's not a fair thing to say to me.
Amadi, my friend. Are you sure your daughter is coming to this house today?
My daughter will soon be here. They're on their way.
Okay. You heard him. They are coming.
None. You're welcome. Chidi, that's my daughter that you want to see. So tell her what you want to tell her now that she's here.
Miss Oma. Miss Oma, well, I am not here for long speeches, but the actual reason for this gathering is I'm very sorry. Let me come down to the level where you understand me a whole lot better. I beg no vex. Okay, no vex. No vex, I beg. I just want to say, as I come so, I just come say, make I tell you, say, I did sorry. Now me mess up. Now I just do anyhow where I not supposed to do. But last, I beg. Make you just banji. Make this thing not reach your bone. They feel me. You see this speaking so. I don't accept. Say I will take care of this speaking, take care of you at the same time. So I beg. No, just vex for me. I beg. Just banji, relax. Just boom. No, just move. Make things just they flow well for us. I beg.
I would have said I am utterly perplexed. But you see, even in my perplexity,
that is it.
I am most exhilarated. I believe the imp in you understands better now that neither you nor anyone else holds the switch to the tapestry called tomorrow. You went ahead to pride yourself in the hoax that you were the pendulum that swung life to my very existence. What a misconstrued foolery.
Everywhere.
You know, it is needless to remind you that you are not only a dead past to me, but you are as good as death itself.
Okwagu.
Now let me tell you this. The same thing that which you deceived me for. You deceived the naive me. How could you, Chidi? I mean, out of all the girls and every... Really? You did that to me? Because you saw how bad I needed education? I have it now. I am very much educated.
Thank you, my daughter.
Wow.
Wow. You be going in the basic ambulance. So you both on our slogan. You name me wow. So
What? Did the cat get your tongue? You can't talk anymore.
Hey!
Huh?
Look, I don't know where all this came from, but I'm shocked and impressed, really. Yeah.
Look, seriously, it hasn't gotten to this banter of you and I, of us, trying to speak a borrowed language called English, okay? Look, all I'm just saying is I'm sorry and I just want to take care of our child. That's it.
Our child?
Yes.
It is obvious you're dreaming.
Excuse me? What do you mean by that?
Wake up to reality because it's obvious you're hallucinating. Now come back to reality. Your child. Which child? The same child you rejected in the past?
Oh, come on now, please. Let's not go to that. Please, okay? Please. Look, I've come clean. Let's do this. We can do this. Please, Miss Oma, please.
You're so shameless.
Please.
Look at yourself. So you can beg like this.
Please.
This child is not yours.
What? Hey, now listen to me. Before coming for this meeting, I've already signed a restraining order against you. Because I know your stupidity will definitely bring you back. And now you're here.
Excuse me?
Hey, listen. In your best interest, stay away from my woman and I.
Who the hell are you? No, who the hell are you? Who the hell do you think you are? Because you're tall? I don't give a damn. What's this? Are you trying to intimidate me? Huh?
I will mess you up.
You will mess who up?
You don't know who I am.
You don't know who I am!
Damn it!
I will dare you! Who are you?
Now listen. It might interest you to know that I am the only son of the Chief of Army Staff. Don't dare me. I will destroy you. If I lift you up, there is no way you're coming down. Don't dare me. I don't want to see you anywhere close to this house, this family. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Don't try to mess with me. You will not like it. You will not. Oh, darling. I need to wait.
Listen, let us go inside.
Don't dare me.
Let us go inside now.
Don't try to mess with me. I will disfigure you. I'm not begging you, it's a promise.
Injection is faster. Education is real. If now if injection mean education, look at you.
Kasi mbemme so maso basudi oyiba.